Hey, yo's in the chat. Yo's in the chat. Hey, yo, TK's in the chat. Classic Traders in the chat. Ernie's in the building. What up? Louis G's in the house. Chola's in the building. My man Classic in the house. Yo. LeGrand in the building. Perez in the house. Yo. What up, chat? Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. Welcome. Good afternoon. Good evening. W's in the chat. Yes, sir. New day. New day. Friday. You guys ready? Ready to rumble? You guys ready to rumble? It's time, chat. We're back again. We are back. All right. What do you think I have to do right now? Man, you would think I would get this down already, right? Let me send the Zoom link out. You guys are probably like, why doesn't this guy just send the Zoom link out first? All right, Zoom link is out. Zoom link is out. Hope you guys are doing well today. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome, my friends. TTW's in the house. Mr. Lopez is here. Stevie Mac is here. I already said what up to LeGrand. What's good, LeGrand? What up, boys? What up, girls? What's good? Chat, where you at today? Where you at, chat? Buzzblab's here. Buzzblab, we need some motion. We need motion, man. It's Friday. Come on, let's jump around. Let's stretch out. Let's get alive, man. Let's get alive. What up, Ewan? Ewan's in the building. What's good? TK. Wags in the house. What up, Wags? There you guys are. Susanna's here. Dennis Hood's in the building. What up, Dennis Hood? Bink, bink. Big Folk Red's in the house. There's the family. Damn. Thought y'all slept in today. I thought you slept in today. What's good, Wags? What up, Scott? What's good, Scott? Scott Blackwood in the house. GGH in the building. AJ's in the house. Crypto Madden's here today. Okay, what up, Crypto Madden? Matt Kerr is in the building. What up, Matt? What's good, Justin? What up, ZXC? Hope you're doing well. What up? Hey, Prickly's in the building. What up, Prickly? That one guy's here. Hey, that one guy's in the house. Amanda Adams. Wow, is that another Amanda? No. Same Amanda. Amanda Adams is in the building. David Purpose, 11th hour is here. Shout out to 11th hour. Perez in the building. What up, Perez? Mike goes in the house. Louis G. Louis G is a top G. Hey, W wife for Louis G. Grabbing him some books. Ain't it great? Ain't it great? Yeah, I'm looking. I'm making sure y'all are here. Christian's in the house. I'm holding y'all accountable here today. Nah, I'm just messing with you guys. Let me just minimize this and lower the music. And I think we are pretty good. Yeah, I think we're good to go. Volume should be good on the music. Last day of the week here, and we are going to get started. Good morning, Joseph. Welcome in everyone on Zoom. Everyone's sleeping in today on this Friday. Gotta Trade ain't sleeping in, though. Hell nah. Gotta Trade's always here. What up, Gotta Trade? All right. You guys ready to get rolling? You guys up? You guys awake? If you guys are up, if you're awake, if you're ready for a great day, put a W in the chat. Give the stream a like as you settle on in here, and we are going to get going with the top-down analysis here in under 1 minute. How's the music? Music should be good. What up, Marcus? What up, Big Max? What's up, Jessica Lake? What's good? What's good? Big Folk Red. Yo. Eugene in the building. What up, Eugene? What up, Johnny? All right, let's get the day started here. So Discord is good. Link is out. If you guys aren't in our free Discord, you all can join our free Discord. What'd you guys do? Did you guys do anything here in the London session? What'd you guys do? Oh, 11th hour took some buys here. Oh, very nice. Very nice. Very nice. How'd you guys do here in London? Oh, Anillo. Anillo was in the game in London. Okay. Okay. Oh, nice. Close W on goal. Okay. Cool. Cool. Awesome. All right. Great job, everyone. Great job. Well, now we have approached the New York session here. So today is another day. What is today? Today is the 16th of February. So 16th of February, it's another day. It's a new day, new opportunity for us to take control of our life, to be disciplined, to be patient, to be professionals here in the markets. And that's what we're going to do here today, as we do every day. We are going to begin the day with a prayer, and then we will dive into the news. We will open up the charts, and we will get right. So let's go ahead and pray. Father in heaven, Lord, we thank you for a new day. We thank you for bringing us towards the end of a week here, Lord. I pray that that your people have become better this week, Lord. I pray that you touch their hearts. I pray that that wherever they were at on Monday, Lord, that here today on Friday, they're just feeling a little bit better. They're in a better situation. I thank you for the blessing on them, Lord. I thank you for using me to serve people, Lord, on this platform. And we just give you all the glory for all the success that we've accomplished at this point, and the bigger and bigger and bigger success that you have for us, Lord. We thank you for your plans for us to prosper. And we just thank you, and we give you all the glory in Jesus' name. Amen. Amen. Game time. Game time, chat. So let's go ahead and dive into it. Today is, again, the 16th of February. Yeah, Alea's birthday is in 2 days. My daughter will be 3 years old. Or no, 3 years young. No, she will be celebrating 3 years on this planet. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, so she will be 3 on Sunday. And yeah, it's going to be a good week. We recorded a podcast yesterday. I was featured on a podcast. Going to be on another podcast, I believe, on the 21st, if I'm not mistaken. That'll be an in-person pod, so that should be pretty fun. But today is the 16th of February. So we are here. We are back. It is another New York session. We are going to take a look here. It is Friday. And let's go ahead and see what we got in the news here today, because we do have some red folders. We have PPI coming in here today at 8:30, which should bring some volatility into the markets. You also have another red folder with the prelims here at 10. That'll be towards the tail end of our session. We should be still around during, or still be live streaming during that time. But as you can see, a lot of USD news ahead of us. So let's have a great day. You know, let's be professional here, and let's use this as an opportunity to do some work here in the market, right? Collect some profits here in the markets. Let's not get fooled by any of this news. And the way we do that is we stick to our playbook. We stick to our data, the data that we have sample size and have tested for a couple years now, that brings us a great result. So that's what we're going to do here today, as we do every day. And that's pretty much it. You know, that's the end of the week here for us. And then next week we'll talk about next week. So let's go ahead and open up the charts, and let's do a top-down analysis. As you guys chill out here, as you guys settle in, give the stream a like. You never know. You just never know these days what we have up our sleeve if we crack 1,000 likes. So if you guys can like the stream, and if you're not subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. We're here every single day, breaking down the charts, talking about things that matter, man. Talking about things that matter. So enjoy it. Have fun here if today's your first day. Welcome to the party, and let's get it started here. So let's go ahead and open up the charts, and let's see what we got going on here on gold. So taking a look at the weekly time frame here, right? So we got the weekly time frame ahead of us. As we know, we have, let's kind of talk about this for a bit. We have this major level of support right here, right? And price also has a major level of resistance right here. Right above that resistance is a pretty steep rejection here. Ever since this rejection, we have been trickling our way down. Nothing too crazy, no drastic moves, just a slow and steady pace down. This candle did close bullish, and then we also closed bearish, right? So what we have now is this potential candle closure. We got 9 hours, almost 10 hours left on the candle. We really want to see how this candle closes, right? Because if the candle closes below the range here today, right? Below the range here today, looking something like this, then what we're doing is we are going to be breaking into a new range, right? As you can see, this would be a brand new range that we are breaking in. So if we do that, then next week you should see some more bearish volume here, as price will probably continue down to retest that support, right? And that would be the idea based off of what we see here on the weekly time frame. So weekly candle is very bearish as of right now, and we'll see, right? We've pushed down, we've tapped into that support, and we've been pulling back here ever since yesterday. So let's go ahead and see why we're pulling back. Let's go ahead and take a look at the daily chart and see what we got going on here on the daily. So daily candles made their way down, right? And then as you can see, the bearish volume began to die down with this candle here, right? This candle here closed very weak bearish, and yesterday's candle closed very strong bullish, right? As you can see. So if the weekly candle is going to pull back now, right, and pull back toward and probably come up towards like 2018, then what's going to happen with this daily candle? Well, then this daily candle should rip up towards 2018, right? So we've got a little bottom wick. We don't have anything too special, but there is a bottom wick currently on this daily candle. So as we break these highs, you should begin to see a move up here today if we break the highs. So let's go ahead and take a look at what this looks like on the 4-hour chart. 4-hour candles have been consolidating for quite a bit. As you can see, there's a support right here. There's also a resistance right here. And right now this candle, this guy right here, this current candle, is trying to make a decision, right, for price. And it's saying, hey, if we can close above, you also have a wick rejection right there. So what we're looking to do here on the 4-hour is close above 2005 740.43 here. And if we can do that, then there's a very high chance now that the next 4-hour candle, which is after the news event, will continue to rip up right today and possibly tap into that 2018, right around this 2018 zone, like the weekly and the daily candles could tell us the story about. So let's go ahead and take a look at the 1-hour here real quick, and let's see what's going on. So 1-hour is approaching this level of rejection here, right? As you can see, a very strong 1-hour bullish candle, but these next two candles are just kind of dying out here, right? Very weak candle, very weak bullish candle so far. I think we're 18 minutes into this candle, so not really doing too much just yet. We also have NY open coming up here in about 40 minutes. Let's take a look at the 30-minute time frame. 30-minute time frame isn't looking too bad here, right? You had a level of resistance that you were looking at, which was right here, this level of resistance. And it looks like we did close above there, right? And we looks like we have made a support. Now we have broken the highs. We haven't really done much. This is concerning to me, right? These wick rejections, because if price wanted to really drive up, 6 a.m. has already passed, right? And the 6 a.m. candle kind of was like a dud, right? Typically we'll see a lot of volume pre-New York at 6 a.m. Eastern, but really nothing much out of that candle there. So I think the problem is sitting right here at these rejections. So let me see if there is any type of resistance at all on the lower time frames that may be holding price up. What's this? Yeah, you see, I think the 5, we don't look at the 5 too much, but if I want to see some information on these like wicks, I think that's our problem here, chat. So how do we get through that, right? Well, we could probably close above at some point on a 5 and make a move up, but I would rather wait for the high volume to come in, right? Because if we wait for high volume to come in, then those little 5-minute resistances will get smoked, right? We like to call it dynamite. So can we push here? Yes, we did create some sort of support, and it is above the range here, but I'm a little late on the entry, so I'm just going to watch. I'm just going to sit out here and see what price wants to do. We are bullish on the day. The previous daily highs are coming in hot here, so if we break those, And the 4 hours juicing very nicely. So if we do break this high and then close above, I think NY Open will continue to move up here. So that's probably what I'm going to wait for. And yeah, so looking pretty good above 2006 here for buys on gold. Yeah, looking pretty solid. Some of you guys may be in these buys. Yeah, buys above here. So buys above 2006 here today. And then if we are going to take sells, there's a pretty strong resistance here. We also have support. You got a support right here as well. So let's go ahead and measure the range. What is this? 18 pips. Definitely not good enough for me. Let's go ahead and mark off that daily low real quick. 1 hour. Yeah. Yeah, I think the best sells are going to be below 2002 here today. Yeah, 2002. And then you got a nice clean range coming down. That's also breaking the daily low. And now you got like a 35, 40 pip range here. So that's what I'm going to be looking for on gold today, is potential sells below here. Sells below. And in this zone here, 2004, if price decides to pull back a bit, right, before news or during news, what I want to see is some sort of a fake out, right? If we can get price to pull back, do a fake out right here, right? And then we could take our buys now moving up. There should be clean traffic to the left for price to continue on up. So that's the vibe here for me today. If you guys are in these buys, awesome. I'm too late at this point on this entry. So, you know, this would probably be an entry on the break of the current high, which is, yeah, you're already like 6-7 pips in profit. So I'm good. I'm going to hold off on this here. Probably going to see how NY Open comes about. We may push down. We may create a fake out right here for price to continue back up. So plenty of time today. The session hasn't even begun, but gold is on the move, right? Gold is on the move, looking pretty bullish here. So we'll see what happens at the break of this high, if we break the high, or if we begin to reject that high. So that's the vibes here today. You got very, very clean traffic coming up here towards like 2013. Let me go ahead and take a look left. Yeah, I think 2013 is a really good spot here for us to target, right? You got 2013 as your initial target, and then you got 2018 if this daily candle wants to rip up today. So that's what I'm going to be looking at here for gold. Pretty good day. If we really want to move bullish today, it should drive pretty nicely here. Yeah. So pretty clean targets here as well. 2013, yeah, right around these zones here. Yeah, perfect. All right, perfect. That is the day. So you got plenty of range. Yeah, plenty of range. Who's in the buys already? Anybody? So buys above here. Let's clone it. One more clone, and bam. All right, cool. That's the day. Yeah, really, I'm gonna put this here for now so it doesn't look confusing to everyone. That's it, man. That is it. That is the name of the game here today. Z Gamer's in the house. What up, Z Gamer? What's good? What's good? What up, dope? Oh, Sam Capital's here. Yes. Love it when Sam Capital's in the chat and in the Zoom. Oh, I'm sure he'll be in the Zoom pretty soon. Zoom to the Zoom. I'm from Raja. Oh, very nice. Welcome. Holy. I'm in the shower. Sam's in the shower right now. All right, cool, man. Take your shower and then come on back. Put the phone down, Sam. Put the phone down. Sam's gonna be like scrubbing his armpits with like the phone by mistake. Oh, damn. That's not the soap. Will we get a trade in today? Only time will tell, my friend. Only time will tell. TK's in the building. Slipping and sliding, baby. All right, let's take a look at Nas here as well, and then we'll chill for the day and see what we got. So taking a look at Nasdaq. Let's see what we got going on here. Damn, this weekly candle pulled all the way back, man. Wow. All right, so we were potentially hoping to see Nas give us some sort of a move down. I mean, it did, right? Let me get rid of the arrow. It gave us the move down, but it pulled all the way back. Wow. So nothing can stop the bullish pressure from coming in on Nasdaq, man, because this candle just a day or two ago was way down here, and now we are back up. So almost looks like we want to flip bullish and break the highs and just continue creating new highs. So let's go ahead and see what the daily looks like. Daily did close bullish here yesterday. You got very little to no top wick, it looks like, right? So, but still does have a top wick. You got a support that was formed. There's also a resistance here that was formed, and this is pretty much the range, right, that you're trading in on the daily time frame here on Nas. So we want to see if you can break out of that range. You don't have anything to the left-hand side, right? There's no data, no price action to the left, so it's very hard to trade when you're looking for targets, right? It's very hard to find targets, but you know, if we do kind of break below here, you have a clean move coming down. You also have a nice clean move coming down towards like 16,800 here. So, you know, as bullish as I am on Nas, I really would love to see a move down, right? I really would. But it just seems like it don't care what I want, right? It's just going to do what it wants to do. So let's see, how can we approach buys and sells here today? So you have a 4-hour support, right? 4-hour support right here. And then you have a pretty clean range coming up. Now, if we look at the range, right, and we kind of, if this, and I tell this to the guys and girls I coach, but you see this kind of looks like a nice clean range, but it's like, imagine it like a waterfall. You guys ever been on the other side of a waterfall and it's like magnificent? Or is it just me? Like sometimes it's just stone, but then sometimes there's like hidden rooms, man. It's pretty cool. So like what you want to do is when you see clean traffic here, right, you want to say, okay, I got a clean move, right? But if I burst through that waterfall, where can price experience a little turbulence, right? Where can price hesitate? And that would be right in this area. As you guys can see, there's support, resistance, rejection. So like you see this area, this is troublesome, right? So although the target is up here, this area becomes a bit troublesome. So can we see maybe a pullback now for price to continue going up? Because I'd much rather take my buys from here versus here, right? So maybe we can get that. Maybe we can wait it out about, I don't know, 4-hour candle closes in 2 hours. Yeah, so we'll see what happens for NY Open on Nas, but the 4-hour chart is looking like it's coming into this turbulence zone, we should call it, right? Turbulence zone, aka the advantage point, right? That's why anytime when we're in trades, we always have, let's say, an entry, a stop loss, a TP, and some sort of advantage point. And that advantage point comes from looking left and saying, okay, we're clean, but if price experiences some trouble, some turbulence, where would that be? And that point is right here. So these are your 4 parameters on each trade that you should begin to have as you plan out your trade. And that's kind of the area in which we're at here. So we're kind of stuck in this zone here. So I want to see a little bit of a pullback, and then maybe we could take buys coming up a little bit later. So let's see what that looks like on the 1 hour. 1 hour is dealing with it as well, heading into this turbulence zone here, dealing with a little bit of rejection. So you got a support here. Let's go take a look at the 30-minute time frame. You also have a support here too, but we would definitely need range 2 sells below here. If we're gonna tighten it up this much on an extremely bullish pair right now, we really need to wait for range 2. So let's see if we can get a range 2 sell below 17,940 here. If you do, you got pretty clean range coming down towards 17,900-ish. Yeah, so if we can get a range 2 breakout right here, that'd be awesome. And when I mean range 2 breakout, I mean we won't take this breakout here. We'll wait for a break, a retest, and then a closure below the new support, and then we can take our trade down, targeting this clean move here and understanding the advantage point, right, in this turbulence area here. So that is that's the plan for the day on Nas. Yeah, that's the plan. That's the plan. You see how we have no top wick here, so this may be where you get a fake out. So that's why we're gonna look for the range 2 below there. You also have a 15-minute support here as well, so which we did tap into on the last candle. I would not touch these Nas sells right now at all. Yeah, 4 hour also needs a bottom wick here, so it looks like we're getting that now. We could potentially move back up here, so we don't want to touch Nas, or I don't want to touch Nas currently right now. I want to give this pair a little bit of time, and then we'll get back to it. So range 2 sells below 17,930, and then buys are pretty clean, right above 17,957. There you got a nice clean range. You got, now look, same thing, right? If we're looking at a trade here, right, and we're looking to potentially get a closure above on this bullish day, I want to talk to you guys about these 3 parameters, right? So you have take a look at it, right? You have a clean zone all the way up until this move, right? But every trader and their mama is looking at this, and they're gonna hold for the whole thing, right? They're gonna hold for the entire thing because they need a 5R today on Friday. But what they don't, or what they fail to realize, is that there's also some trouble right ahead. So yes, we're clean on the way up, but again, if we dive through that waterfall, then we notice that there's specific parameters and areas where price, if this move does happen, can run into some trouble, and that would be right here, right? So although the buys, we would be targeting like 18,000 up there, right up in this range. This is where I would be closing partials, right in this zone here, because that's where the market says, hey, I almost guarantee you a clean move up until we get into this point. And once we get into these points, you know, you may experience some storms, you may experience some rocky weather, and it may not be good, but maybe you can get through it, right? So that's why typically when price hits these advantage points, that's where we take profit, you know. And because if it hits here and doesn't break through it, then it will reject it, right? It will reject that area. So that's why we look for those advantage points. And if you do burst through it, that's a good sign. Typically price will continue on up to that target. So that is it. That is all we have to do here today, right? Pretty good here, because you may get buys from down here too. So let's just sit tight and wait on price action to unfold the way we want to see it. Yeah, lovely. Did you see Raja's trade on gold? I did not. I popped on real quick, gave his stream a like, and it looks like he was heading off. Yeah. I'm so happy that guy's trading every day again, man. I miss that dude. Yeah, so you notice that gold is now rejecting, right? So as we said earlier, this is a bit of a problem area. So it's being very problematic for gold, as you see the rejections to the left, and now you see the rejections on current price. So new 30-minute candle open, but not touching this. No way, Jose. Nobody move. Nobody get cooked. What up, Stephen B? What's good? What's good? What up, Pip Lord? Oh, Lord. The Pip Lords. What up, Jimmy Williams? GJ is gone. GJ is gone. You ever heard that Justin Timberlake song? Gone. Can you please explain Raja's trade today? I don't know what trade he took, so I can't explain someone else's trade. I could only really explain my own trades. Where did he take? What did he do? Did he take a buy? Was it on gold? Was it on pound yen? You gotta tell me what he did. Anilo's in the building. Anilo, don't move. We'll get clipped. All right, we're getting Little Mo Mozzarella on the soundboard. It's official. We need him. We need him because too many of you guys think we're crazy when we say nobody move, nobody get clipped. It's like, yo, what's this dude talking about, bro? It was a buy on gold. Go get coffee and profit. Ooh, yeah, those are always fun. He bought gold. Basically, his idea was buying till 2010. Nice. Sugar Bear is back. We appreciate you coming back here today, Sugar Bear. Welcome, welcome, my friend. Good to see you here. Hoping you and your family are blessed on this lovely Friday. Wishing you nothing but the best, my friend. If you take a look at the daily time frame, gold not bearish. Closed at new resistance level. Yes, yeah, I do see that. It's kind of like a retest of the range in which it left. Yeah, right here. So this could be trouble, right? This area could be a little bit of trouble. So we'll see. You also have this rejections. Notice how gold came up and reject here. Came up, reject, came up, reject. So we'll see. We'll see. The lower time frames will always spill the beans for us. So as long as we can hang out and operate properly on the 30-minute 1 hour time frame, then we should be good here today. Have you read Manifestation yet? Yeah, by Marcus Aurelius. Yep. Yeah, I was actually just reading it last night. It's a long book. Honestly, it's a deep book. A lot of words. A lot of pages, a lot of small letters. Yo, what up, Richard? Richard Lewis in the building. Blessings to you, my friend. Welcome in. Welcome, welcome. What up, D-Boss? D-Boss is in the house. Yeah, GJ's a goner. If you guys didn't see yesterday's live stream, then you guys missed history, man. We did it together. We held hands and did it together. It was fantastic. We went up here and we hit that little X button on the right-hand side and poof, she was gone. We we blocked her number. What do you think about news today for gold? I think nobody move, nobody gets clipped. What up, Joe Stu? Brother Joe's in the house. What up, Joe? I'm always fired up when Joe's here. Joe's killing it right now. Joe's killing the game of life. Yes, sir. Oh, Lord. 300 likes, let's go. Oh, damn, we're at 300 already? Okay. All right, chat. Y'all started off slow. I thought you guys were still sleeping on a Friday. You know, some of you guys want to sleep in on this Friday. Play the crying one? That's GJ? Yeah, this is GJ walking away. Oh, my God. I can't believe you really left me. Simple. Anything to say about investing in crypto? Not really. Not really. I don't like to talk much about crypto because I'm not well equipped in that area. I just pay people for the right information. So I'm positioned pretty swell here on BTC, and I was positioned really swell in the last bull run. Wish I had more in the last bull run, but everyone wishes they had more in the last bull run, don't they? So I've been stacked here since September, and I don't know. I mean, I didn't even predict this, but BTC is just moving on up here. So yeah, loving it. But randomly got some BTC right around mid-September here, and it's just been a bull run ever since. I just, yeah, I'm pretty pumped. Pretty pumped. You think top one will adjust when think markets? Yes, yeah. You guys should probably begin. We'll begin to get familiar with C Trader, because you want to prepare yourself, right? You want to predict some of these future trends before they happen. So I don't know when it will be, but Medicote seems like they're just, I don't know. It doesn't seem like things are going as planned for them, or they're trying to switch things up. And it looks like a lot of brokers, a lot of funds are all kind of switching things over. But I don't have all the information. I know currently right now we are all good to go. There's no sign of, or there's no word of switching anything around just yet. But yeah, that's the game. That's the game of life. You either adapt or you get left behind, and it's one option or the other. So no one's going to feel bad. No one's going to, you can cry in the woods all you want, but no one's going to help you adjust, right? So, in life, you got to roll with the punches, and regardless of what happens, trading will still be here, which is the coolest part. We just may have to switch a platform or two, and that may happen once every couple years, right? That may happen once every 5 years, once every 10 years, and when it does, you just got to be a grown-up and make the adjustments. The author of the book is Meditations by Marcus Aurelius. It's a big book. It's not a big book, but it's filled with a lot of words. What about funding pips? I don't know about them. Not too sure. Oh wow, gold. Oh, I thought that was gold for a second. I'm like, what? Yeah, so Bitcoin moving up pretty well here. Moving up pretty well. Lovely stuff. Lovely stuff for all the BTC holders. How many pips was your biggest daily target? Man, back in the well, actually we kind of stacked positions too, but yeah, man, I remember before I live streamed, I would hang out with a couple of my buddies and we would trade every day. And at one point we would say 100 pips or nothing, man. 100 pips or nothing. Yeah, it's fun. Green, you remember that? Yeah, I'm getting the inside info from Mr. Nack Steward 997. Do you think we'll be okay with this problem? There's this prop firm. Yeah. You'll always be okay. You'll always be okay, because they'll make the adjustments to make make sure they're okay, and then we make the adjustments to make sure we adjust with them, and everything will be a-okay. Dude, yeah, imagine being that guy who bought that pizza. Was it 10 Bitcoin? That's crazy. That's crazy. That's nuts. So you're on Lorenzo's page? Yeah, I went. Yeah, I've been talking with him a little bit the last, I would say two weeks or so. He came in our stream one time. And then he also was in our Discord, I believe. Yeah, I remember someone was like, "Yo, is that the real like Lorenzo?" And I'm like, because you know, I had never seen his stream before, so I wasn't aware. But yeah, so he's always showing love. I like that dude, man. He keeps it straight. He cares for his community, which is awesome. And yeah, I pop on his chat every now and then if I see it when I get off here. All brokers will no longer use Meta. Yeah, that's fine. There's so many other platforms, right? So we'll just adjust. It's not a biggie. Hey, chat. We're almost at 35,000 subscribers here. That's insane. Like, we've literally been doing this for 12 months. Like, what? He's a Dutch fellow. Oh, yeah, yeah, I like his accent. Yeah, he's Dutch, right? He's a goat, though, man. I think he's been live streaming longer than, like, I think he's been live streaming for a couple years. And I think he just took a year off or something, right? I think I heard him say that. Yeah, he's a goat. Do I trade same way as Raja? Similar. Very similar. Yeah, Lorenzo and Thomas. Yeah, I like Thomas. That kid's a winner. That kid's a winner. Hey, what up, Salim? Salmon? What up, Salmon? You're always here. I see you. Yeah, yesterday I popped on a few streams. Popped up on Wix. Popped up on Lorenzo. Yeah, say what up to the homies. Xander's in the building. What up, Xander? He sounds South African. That's what my wife thought. Raja's more into impulse. Yeah. Yeah, because he's so experienced, bro. He's so wise in the markets. Like, he's just been doing this, you know, for much longer, right? So he's just got more skin in the game. He understands, you know, the way he's very fluent in the market, which I really love. That's what I love so much about learning from him. And yeah, he just does what he wants. He's a boss. He's a boss, man. On May 22nd, 2010. Wow. 10,000 Bitcoins for 2 Papa John pizzas. That's insane. 10,000 Bitcoins? Holy. Yo. I want to go give that dude a hug. That is insane. Hey Nick, no disrespect to the channel, but who is Raja? Raja's another trader. Yeah, he's a trader that I learned a lot from. He is, I think he's back to live streaming. Yeah, London, right? Yeah, so he was like one of the first live streamers, and he really kind of set the bar for a lot of us and paved the way, you know. So he kind of traveled the road before us and paved the way, and I look up to him as a trader, man, for sure. Joe Fargo. How many trades should I take? I'm a beginner. 1 to 2 trades a day, if that. Dude, 10,000 Bitcoins for 2 Papa John pizzas. That's insane. Nah, I didn't know it was 10,000. That would be $500 million today. Sheesh. Thanks, Claudia. That's insane. Wow, my mind is blown. A lot of people hating on Raja. Yo, people been hating on Raja, man. That dude's hilarious. He been cracking on Quakers, bro, since 2019, 2018, man. He's hilarious. He's fed up at this point. Now he just lay it on you now. Yeah, word. That pizza must have been good. It better have been good. If that dude ever eats pizza again, I don't think I'd ever be able to actually eat pizza again after that. That's nuts. Should I use any indicator? It depends. It depends. If you feel like it helps you, then yes, why not? If not, then you don't really necessarily need them, because once you get rid of all indicators, right? When you remove everything, so I have no indicators here, that's why you don't see them. But if I did, if I clicked remove indicators and remove drawings, what do we have here? What is all you see? All you see is candles, right? Just candlesticks. So I at one point got rid of all my indicators, and I got rid of all my lines and my trends and all that, and I just began to focus on studying the study of candles, and big candles, little candles, when there was big candles, when there was little candles, and I just began this study of price action. So I don't use any indicators. I just use ranges. I just use price action and candlestick. That's it. Yeah, I use all these time frames. These time frames are my indicators. So the monthly all the way down to the 15-minute are my indicators, and then the time on the clock is also my indicator. So I understand when volume comes in, and I understand that most of the time when you see these big candles like this guy, it's when there is lots of volume in the markets, right? This guy here. So what I did was I started looking at all the big candles, and I started saying, okay, well, what time did that happen, right? What time did that happen? So instead of relying on a MACD or a, what else did I use? Just a few of them, you know. I just decided to use these time frames as my indicators, and use the time on the clock as an indicator on when volume will come in. Quakers are important. They really are. They really are. They've been a pivotal part of the stream. Not gonna lie. What would we do without them? Hey, maybe he had 20,000 Bitcoins. So if he had 10,000 Bitcoins to give away, then maybe he had 20 or 30,000 of them. So he should be still sitting like 500 million, 800 million today. Pizza was, yeah, that's crazy. We wouldn't be where we are without the Quakers. Raja Bali is an OG, changed so many lives. Yes, he has. Yeah, he changed my life, my family's life. Yeah, I appreciate his teaching. He's a great teacher. See, that's the thing about impact, chat. You never know where your impact is gonna go, right? That's the coolest part about it, is it just keeps on going. It's like you ever skip a rock or throw a rock in a pond, and it's got that ripple effect, right? Where all of a sudden it starts, you drop something and the ripples begin to spread across the pond. That's the impact that you can have on lives and in this world by just thinking, speaking, and doing everything that you say, right? When your thoughts and your words and your actions line up, you become a great leader, you become a great example, and typically you will progress in life, and that example will inspire other people. That example will be the rock that is dropped in the pond for the ripple effect to begin. So you never know. You can never chase it. You can never actually see how far your impact may go in the world. So that is so cool. You just have to continue to lead by example, right? And continue to run your own race, because when people see you running your race, it inspires them. A lot of people, they hold their themselves back from running their own race because, you know, what will Bill and Mary think, or what will Joe and Jimmy think, or what will Bob think? Who cares? You know what they're thinking about? They certainly are not thinking about you. They are thinking about themselves, right? And their own problems and their own issues. So if you have a dream, if you have a goal, if you got a vision in life, you need to go after it. You have to go after it, gang. You do not want to live life with regrets that I could have, I should have, if I would have, right? I said it today on my story. You are your own problem and you are your own solution. And ain't nobody going to help you. You know, you got to go out there and get it yourself. Mentors are there to guide you. They're there to give you information, but it's up to you to apply that information. It's up to you to sift through that information and figure out, hey, what's going to work best for me right here, right now, in my season of life, right? In the season that I'm in, because it all works, right? But you have to, it's a skill set to tinker with the habits that you need to apply now, right? Because there's some things that maybe I'm doing now that you're not there yet, or maybe you're doing some things that is helping you, but I'm not at that point yet, right? So you really gotta develop the skill set in its own on what to use, what to take, what to think, what to do to get you from A to B, right? And then once you get from A to B, then you can focus on B to C, C to D. So understand that, understand that. A lot of times we talk about things and people want to do everything, and that's just not the case, right? You can't be Mr. Superman and do every single thing every single day. Look at me, even me, someone who preaches and sticks to it very well. My morning routine, my game plans every day, my daily disciplines. Sometimes you're gonna have a baby, or you're gonna move, or you're gonna glitch out of your ordinary routine for a little bit, and it's up to you to pull back. Right, it's up to you to get back in the zone, right? I like to call it flow state. Get back into flow state, right? Otherwise, a great example is like your diet, because this happens all the time. You go really good, you start eating really good, and then one day you cheat the diet, right? And then you know what you do the next day? You cheat it again, and man, that ice cream just tastes so good. Oh my God, that chocolate chip cookie was so good. I'm just gonna have one more. Right, I'm just gonna have another one, and then all of a sudden you start stringing days together where you're eating like crap. We could apply that to trading too, right? You go ahead, you break your plan. You start following the plan. Some of you guys, and you've been running really good for 16 days now, right? And all of a sudden you begin to throw the plan out the window. You take a loss that you didn't really want to take. I got news for you. There's no loss that I want to take, right? But what you do following the loss, what you do following these things is really what determines who you are and where you'll be, right? Because if you can take that loss, take it on the chin, right? And then do the same thing every day, right? Come back, look for the next best trade, you're going to do good, right? But if you take that loss and it begins to overcome you and take over you, and you begin to revenge trade, and then you lose again, and now you got to over risk, and now you over risk and you blow your account, and it's just bad. Right? So you don't want to do that. You don't want to do that. So anyway, going back to you may get thrown out of habit, right? Thrown out of routine. So it's up to you to kind of be able to stay composed and get things back together. And again, no one can do that for you, right? No one can do that for you. So, and when you're off routine, you're off a little bit. You're off. I find it funny actually too, that those 6 losses also, even though they were all playbook positions, they just happened to come when I was at a flow state. Interesting, right? interesting. I had a baby, you know, so we're adjusting here to a new person, right? A new child in the house. We also moved, right? So moved, you know, had half office here, half office there. It's no surprise that a couple L's stringed together back and forth came at a time where I was out of flow state, where I was out of routine, where I was out of my normal daily disciplines, right? I wasn't applying all of them every day. So I just find it funny that it's a living proof example right there, right? I wasn't journaling every day. I wasn't doing the things that make me me, right? The things that make me the best me. So I just think it's so cool, you know, that if you stay on task, you're most likely going to continue winning. And if you fall off, you know, it could turn bad. So yeah, you just got to remember to get back in the zone. Z Gamer's in the house. What up, Z Gamer? Sandman in the building. What's good? All right. So NY Open is here. Looks like we closed bearish on the 1 hour. We closed bearish on the 30-minute as well. And bearish on the 15-minute. 4 hour is beginning to reject that wick right there. Does the 4 hour? Yeah, 4 hours, very little bottom wick here too. So nothing just yet here on gold, right? If you can now make a new support right here, then we may have this opportunity ahead of us, right? Then you may see the move up and the continued drive here for the 4 hour and the daily. Cool. We also have news coming in here. News at 8:30. So we may have to tiptoe around the news a little bit. Clip worked. Yeah. Clip worked. Yeah, come hang out with us on Discord. You guys can join our free Discord. So look, there's 3 things here today. If you're not subbed to the channel, subscribe. If you're not in our free Discord, jump in our free Discord. We're going to be doing random evaluation account giveaways in the Discord too, moving forward. And then like the stream, why don't you? Give the stream a like. Oh, we got the El Presidente in the house. I haven't looked at Zoom, but he is here. Let's go. My man Sam is here to join us today. Let's spotlight him. Let's put him on the map. There he goes. There he goes. All right, lovely. Coming on stream in 3, 2, 1. What up, Sam?
What's going on, brother?
How we doing?
Doing wonderful.
Nice, nice Zoom name.
Oh. Yeah,
Zoomy. W's in chat for
Dude,
Sam.
I don't know why it keeps doing that, bro.
Sam Capital.
Whoops.
Oh man, that's the universe trying to say
That's
something.
2 in a row. That's twice in a row.
That's 2 days in a row, bro. Zoom trying to get
Criminal. What
What's
up, chat? What up? Who's here today? OGH, TTW.
Always in the chat. Always in the chat.
Anilo.
Gold
Oi,
looks pretty
oi.
good. Oi.
Yeah, I actually took those buys. It's about to hit my stop loss here in a minute.
Oh, this one?
So I took him at 6 a.m.
Oh,
'Cause
6
usually,
right here.
so,
Yeah. I was
so like
expecting more
usually
volume.
6 a.m. you get that. Yeah, so that's what I bet it on. And then I was like, all right, well, it closed bullish, so we'll let it see.
Yeah.
But then it just ended up closing bearish.
Yeah,
But
I
my
think.
stop loss is 2006 flat. So we'll see if it
Oh,
survives.
okay. So it's coming potentially.
It's like 3
Hopefully it
pips away.
survives here. Yeah, I think
don't
this
know
is
if it
your
will,
issue.
though. It closed bearish.
These guys over
Yeah.
here
Yeah.
acting a fool, being troublesome.
Yeah. It's okay though. It was a 15 pip loss for me.
Yeah. Hey, look, you see how Sam didn't even have to say that. He could have thought he could have let you guys think he's great Sam I am. Oh, don't lose a trade.
Yeah.
But you see
No,
the
I told them in the
transparency?
chat that you asked who was in buys earlier, and so I said
Oh, you did? I didn't see it.
Yeah, so I just was like, yeah.
All
Well,
right.
I'm sure they were assuming it in the chat.
Yeah. So driving
Yeah, but
back
stop
down.
me
now.
out. Yeah, stop me out.
Yeah, all good. Those were pretty good stops too, below the lows there. So pretty much if
Yeah.
you were wrong about the direction, that was a pretty good stop to have. But we may see some fake outs for continued buys, right? So what I would love to see here, if we don't get that support, which we may not, if we can get a nice move down, right? Nice move down here, and then do some sort of a fake out, right? Below here. You may even see price push down like with news and everything, and then kind of close back above. This would be ideal because now we have nice clean candles moving back up towards 2008. And if we can get this with some high volume, we should retest this zone no problem. So maybe we give that a second shot a little bit later if we can get some sort of a support to form. Yeah, nice little fake out would be great.
News direction for the casino, please. All right, I got you. So it's a little mixed, I'll say that. We have a bunch of things that are coming out here too. We have CAD, like 3 things for the CAD, not 2 things, 4 things for the USD. Obviously, the main things will be the PPI, core PPI. So they're forecasting an increase, which would bring gold down. However, the previous was 0, and it's been 0 for the last 3 months. So I don't know if we'll see the 0.1. It might just come out at 0 again, which would move gold up. And then the PPI, they're also suggesting there's an increase, but last month there was negative 0.1, so that would be red numbers, so that could maybe have gold move up as well. But we'll see. We will see. I don't know, that 1 hour closures. And then if you look left,
yeah,
I don't know, we'll see.
Daily highs never got broke either. And then we are, like someone pointed out in the chat, I was looking at this too, is that you are moving into the zone here, right? So this could
exactly.
This could be a bit of trouble here because really we're bearish, like we're pretty bearish here on the daily. So in order to continue down, what do we need, right? We're gonna need some sort of resistance here. So maybe that's how the day ends. We'll have to see. And that would also help the weekly close bearish, I believe, below its support level. So yeah, we will see.
Yeah, on the 4 hour you can see like the previous support, it might be like turned into a to the left some more. You can see
right here.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, it's a problem area here on gold. 2008. Oh, we got babies crying out here.
Advice on passing funded accounts: take it like slow and steady. Don't rush it. Build that discipline. Yeah, build the discipline. Take it slow. Don't rush it. I feel like all the advice is pretty generic and what do you call it? Like corny. Like everyone's kind of saying the same thing, but like it's really true.
Yeah. Yes, it is. Got these crazy kids, man.
Maybe just commit to like certain things too, like higher time frames. Like say like okay, maybe like okay, I'll only trade 30-minute time frame or higher, or something like that too. Like I don't know.
Yeah. Perez with that wrench, man. He's claiming it. Damn, he puts that on every comment. Okay, I see.
He wants it.
I see ya. What's the Insta?
I still have a runner from yesterday too.
Oh, nice. From way down here, right?
Yeah. I took it on the break the highs of that. Yeah, right there.
Right here, right?
Yeah.
It's running, baby. It's running.
We'll see how the news comes out, depending on how I close it or not.
Yeah. Hey, if you can move up here, that'd be great.
It's just a 0.1, but it's up $130.
Oh my god. Dude, chilling. That's damn, you're up
like 130, yeah.
Yeah,
$130.
$130 on him. Nice. Where are you gonna hold till?
I don't know. I kind of
move up.
want to see if it'll come up in like 25 15,
Yeah.
and then like I'd probably dump it around there because then it's like, okay, I don't know how much more it might move up if it's going to, but this might be it too.
Yeah.
It's just like, yeah, I don't want to
Just
sit here and call top and bottom. I'm just gonna wait and see what the news does.
yeah. Yeah, it's one of those where, you know, the daily can do anything here, right? It can actually move up, or we can reject this level here. So daily's either moving up or down. The coolest part about the daily right now is our buy positions are sitting above the daily highs, right? And our sell positions, or where we're looking to take sells, are the break of the daily lows. So we've got good positioning here on gold, and we're ready. We're ready for whatever it wants to do. We don't care if it wants to move up or down. We just want to see what we want to see on the lower time frames, and we're positioned very well here. I love when the ranges line up with the highs and the lows on the daily.
Yeah, me too. Especially like when it has like that clean range both sides too. Beautiful, beautiful.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just gotta hope that the news gives us a beautiful opportunity as well. It's
nice.
like mixed. So like you guys in the chat that were asking buy or sell, today wouldn't be a day that like I'll be like looking to do something bad at all.
What's up, Nick? How you doing? What up, the Don? Doing fantastic, G. How you doing? I'm in 3 weeks into my 50K account. It's been the longest account held without blowing it. Beautiful. That's how you know you're onto something. Once you begin to hold accounts, right? Doesn't matter if you're up and then down and up and down. Like the fact that you haven't blown it is just impressive in itself, right? So good job, Jimmy Williams. Take your time with it. Let things come naturally. You know, that goes for everything in life, but especially with trading, right? Let your trades come in, let them come naturally, pass your account naturally, get your pay naturally, and just do it the right way. You'll be so happy about it, and you'll feel good about it, right? You'll feel like you're actually doing things right. So, W, man, good job.
Yeah, good job.
Because most people, they'll buy a challenge and they will blow that challenge within a week. Because like, what the heck, let me swing for the fences, right? There's no professionalism in that, right? Because if they do get funded, you know, what? Right? If you get funded off of a lucky grand slam, what happens the next day when you need to trade? Right? And the day after that, and the day after that, and the day after that. So a lot of times when you see people do that, typically they blow the account, right? They can't handle the actual day to day because they're not in any sort of concrete routine in their trading. They just kind of swung for the fences, got lucky, hit a big one, and said, "Hoo, you know, we got our funded account." But yeah, don't work like that.
That's another thing too. Like, you want to be confident that you know what you're doing, like when you get that funded account, right? Because if you don't even feel confident that you know what you're doing, then when you get that funded account, you're gonna be quaking. Like every single time it goes to execute a trade, you know, you might do something you normally wouldn't, like close early, or you might over risk, or you might hold a little longer. You know, there's so many different variables, but
yeah, that's true. Very, very true. And if you have
lock it into a system.
Yeah, if you have any sort of a brain too, you'll know deep down that you got lucky, and you will doubt yourself. Damn, can I really hold this one together now? Right? I kind of got lucky on that trade, you know, like, and you just begin to have those thoughts. So let things come naturally in life.
Yeah.
Are the positions already placed? No, we're still waiting. We're gonna wait on news here. We got news in 15 minutes. So it looks like this 15 is going to close here. We're looking for potential fake outs down here to take buys on the way up. And we're also looking for, well, that's out of the picture now, right? A support to happen here for price to close back up. But as of right now, we are going to look for potential fake outs right around 2005, high 2004 here, and then potentially ride it back up. And if not, then we'll look for sells below 2002 here. Yeah, this range here is going to be pretty much a no trade range, right? Within here, not really interested in much because we can get the fake out for buys, right? So I don't want to touch anything there, and that could happen at any point. It could happen here, it could happen here, it could happen here, right? So we really want to be careful in this zone here. But I am open to taking buys above 2004 if we can get the fake out, and I also am open to taking buys above 2008 all the way up towards like 2013, 2014, and even up towards 2018 today. And sells are pretty clean, right below 2002. So we'd be breaking the daily lows here, and that would be pretty good. And if not, or if we get runners, you could possibly have runners to fill the wick down here towards 96 today. So you just got to be patient here today, just like every day. Lots of room though, lots of ranges here on gold today.
Expecting no change on the news, just the market sniping some orders. Yeah, so like that's the thing is they're suggesting there's an increase, but over the last 3 months there hasn't been. So why would we randomly say, hey, it probably will this month, right? Like, so that's why I would just say like it's kind of mixed, right? Like it could come out up, but we'll see.
Yeah. Been struggling with my 100K account 2 months. Currently at 4% pro. Oh, nice. Hey, you're doing good. You're doing good, bro. You only got 4% left to go. I would just keep doing what you're doing. And I wouldn't say you've been struggling, right, with your 100K account for 2 months, man. That's, you know, again, the facade, right, of we can pass your challenge instantly, or we can get your challenge passed in 3 weeks or 2 weeks or 30 days, right? What that does is that leaves the individual watching thinking, I suck at trading. I've been doing this for 2 months. I'm only up 4%. Do you know that that is actually really good? So I would not say you're struggling. I would say you're kicking ass, dude. And I would just say keep kicking ass. Keep doing what you're doing. Keep showing up day in and day out, looking for the next best trades, because that's got you up 4%, right? So all you need is another 4%. So the advice I would give you is keep doing exactly what you're doing, bro. Only advice I'd give you differently is change your perspective. You're not struggling. You're doing amazing. You really are. You're doing fantastic on that account. John Wayne in the building.
John Wayne.
Nobody move. Nobody get clipped.
Oh, I see Johnny Boy in the building too.
Oh yeah, he's here. See, I can't see him.
Yeah,
Once I have someone spotlighted up here, I don't know who's here.
I forgot all about that, but yeah, that's my bad.
Yeah, for sure, Oscar. Keep going, man. Very, very nice job. I'll pass your challenge in 60 seconds. Are you guys stuck on your challenges for over 30 days? Pfft, pure loser. Come DM me. I'll pass your account for $15,000 in 26 seconds. Come on over. We got so many people. There's only 4 spots left. Wow. Everyone's hitting us up. We don't have any more room. Well, we'll leave you. We got you, man. We don't have any more room, but we got you. We got you.
Yeah, we're only able to put our bot on so many accounts. Like that. Just come up with stupid reasons.
We ain't trying to be too hot boy, you know?
They're trying to get you to FOMO in. That's what that is.
Yeah, man. Sales 101. Oh yeah, John's here, right? Let's bring Johnny boy up to the podium.
Messi or Trump? I'm gonna have to go with Trump.
Trump. Where has Don gone? He's right here. He's pulling up right here on Zoom. Let's bring him up. Let's unmute him. Here is the Don. The Don. We got a bunch of Dons in the chat.
What's good?
How you doing?
How you
Johnny
doing?
boy.
What's pop?
Nobody move. Nobody get hurt.
What do you want to do? Morning, chat. Let's get everyone. You guys doing good today?
Doing good. Doing great. Doing fantastic. Sam, you coming to Florida soon or what?
Soon.
We need you out here, bro. It's
Soon.
just,
I do.
it's just too.
I need to get out of the snow, bro.
Yeah, it's just too nice for you not to be here, man. I'm talking about,
bro.
the last 2 weeks. I mean,
Beautiful every day.
perfection, bro. Just perfection.
Yeah, bro. When it's chilly here, I start quaking. I'll be like scraping the ice off the windshield.
He's quaking. He's
I'm like,
quaking while
"Whoa,
he's
bro."
scraping.
Dude, bro. I remember living in New York. It was not fun.
Yeah, bro.
Cold seasons.
TK sent me a video the other day. It was like, it was raining like slush. I'm like, wow.
Dude, yeah. I'm glad we only had that one time so far this year.
I
Well,
sent
like,
him a
this
video
season.
back. And I was like, TK, what are you doing? Hold on, I can't even see you, bro. The sun is so bright right now. What are you doing to yourself, man? What are you doing? When you guys going to
Dude.
come to the Sunshine State and visit the TTE family?
Once they did that groundhog prediction where I'm from, yo, Chas, listen to this. So this is what I always tell people, yo, you think it's so funny because it's like, in America we hear things that like go on in other countries and we're like, yo, what the heck? Yo, listen to this. Where I'm from, they go and they freaking pull a hog out of the ground and then they ask the hog if he sees a shadow, and if the hog sees a shadow, then it means that we have 6 more weeks of winter, bro. Every time the hog sees a shadow, I want to go and kidnap it.
Yo. Homie said, nah, bruh.
That's funny.
Winter
He sees
time.
it every year. I'm pretty sure it's just like the hog's just like, yeah, bro, yeah, put me
Dude.
back in.
The hog
Dude,
say,
it's
oh,
crazy,
no.
bro.
Hell no, 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 to the no.
Yeah, the hog's
I'm
like,
going
put
back
me
in
back
that
in the
hole.
hole, bro. Put me back in. Yeah, bro.
Damn, so is that what happened this year? Is it
Mhm.
extended on winter?
Yeah,
Yikes, man. Someone go get that hog, man.
that's what I'm saying, bro. Gotta get the hog.
Imagine it was like one specific hog, like, and his like bloodline. Then they only trusted that hog. Like, how do they decide like what hog to pull out the ground? Or they just like doesn't make sense.
I think its name is Phil.
Hey, yo, Phil.
Punxsutawney Phil.
Come on,
Yo.
Phil. Here's a piece of
Hey.
cheese.
Billy.
They yank him out of the ground at like 5:45 in the morning, and they're like,
Where your shadow at, bro?
dude, yeah, yeah, bro.
Yo.
That's funny.
Yeah, we'll get a meetup in
Fun.
Tampa going pretty soon.
Yeah, that's gonna be fun.
I'm actually meeting up with one of our TTE members today. One of our elite
Oh, yeah.
guys.
Let's go. That'd be
Yeah.
exciting.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're gonna link. We're gonna link up.
Yeah, Sam. I'm looking forward to meeting Sam.
Yeah, when we come
Very
down,
fun.
bro, we'll do
Oh yeah.
do a TTE meetup. Do it all, bro.
Hell yeah.
It's gonna be like
That'd be lit.
our meetup with
We'll have
TK.
motion.
Man
Mo-
hugged us. He was like, "Love you guys, man." I was like, "Oh shit, love you too, bro."
Yo, dude, when you see me, the second like we physically see each other, bro, it's gonna be like,
We start
yo!
running.
yeah.
We start running towards each other. Slow
Facts.
motion.
Yeah, bro. It'll be like that one movie when they dap each other up.
Oh man. Just stare at our handshake.
The space-time continuum will stop.
Oh man. Yes, sir.
No
Ricardi.
funny, bro.
World just
Ricardi.
stops moving.
Yeah. What's your Insta? Oh yeah, I forgot. Right here. I think I pulled it up. Yeah. Right here. It's my Insta. Insta. It's Friday. They coming for your paychecks today, chat. Don't fall for any fake pages. None of them. See how many posts I have on this page? They can't make this whole page in a couple hours. So, but they still trying to get their cash in a couple hours. So, Look at all these picks. Typically, they only have like 8 picks, 9 picks, and those pictures they're all put up today. So don't be deceived or fooled. Oh, I want to go back to the spot.
Old picks,
Farmhouse. Farmhouse. Yeah, don't be deceived.
Don't be trolled.
It was looking fresh in that suit.
If it ain't that guy right there,
Yeah, true.
don't be deceived, man. That's GQ right there, bro. Yeah, nah, this is my only IG account. So if you guys want some recommendations on some good books, check them out. Check out my page. I got some good books up here for you guys.
Yeah,
I'm also gonna put a book recommendation on the website too. Yeah, Outwitting the Devil. Compound
That's my
Effect. Great book here. Another one. These two right here will change everything about you. What to say when you talk to yourself, and The Tongue of Creative Force. Whoa. This book here by Charles Capps. Holy.
He
Insane.
ain't capping.
Look at the lamb chop.
The Lammy.
I'll
Yeah.
pull up inside the lamb and they got machetes.
Yeah, I do have good books though. I do have good books. One thing about me is I love reading. I'm a big book guy. Big book guy. Here's some
Where's Yanosh?
trading books. Yanosh. Where is Yanosh?
Ouch.
I miss you, Yanosh.
Yeah.
Me and
Yanosh.
Yanosh will definitely meet. I'll definitely be in Germany sometime.
Yanosh is pulling up.
Yeah.
You gotta go.
My neighbor, like growing up and all that, like she came from Germany, and then
Oh, really?
like basically so like she came here in like 4th grade, and then basically like the whole ways up until like graduated high school, and then she went back.
Sheesh.
But like so like I would know someone there.
Go back. You can hit
Other,
your neighbor
other
up.
than Yanosh. Yeah, no, it ain't be like nothing like that.
You know Yanosh? You know Yanosh? I'll ask everyone in Germany, hey, you know Yanosh? You know Yanosh? They'll be like,
I'll ask everyone. Yeah.
what language is he talking? Book giveaway? Oh, yeah, book giveaway.
You be speaking Deutsch. Yeah, and then it was crazy because like their grandma came here too and didn't know any English. She know Dutch, German, and Hungarian.
Damn.
It's funny.
I wish I knew that many things.
I just call her Uma.
Uma.
I
Dude,
think that's grandma in German. Uma.
Uma. Grandma. Uma. Uma. Suma.
Oma. I think that actually is how you
Oma.
say it. Yeah, I'll say Uma. Cause I'll be a troll.
Yo, that's hilarious. Dude said I'm chatting with a scammer right now. He's saying he can connect his account with mine.
Oh, it is Oma. Yeah, I'll be saying Uma.
That's hilarious.
Yeah, I'll be trolling.
Oma.
Yanosh, where are you? It's time to wake up for school. NPCs won't even know. How many push-ups? Man, I'm almost 100. I'm at 80 right now, man. Been putting in work all morning. I'm gonna get my 100 in now while we wait. Actually, I'm gonna wait for news. I got 20 left for a hundo.
See what news is.
Yeah, you think my runner will double up or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Oy.
Yes, I do. 12
Yeah, we'll
seconds
see.
and we will
The
find
15
out.
minutes gonna close bullish. 30 minutes closing bearish.
Ooh.
1 hour. I don't know.
Ooh. Here it comes. Here it comes. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, move down
I
first.
don't think it's doubling up. I don't think it's doubling.
Broke the daily lows there. Rebroke daily lows. Yup, this looks like it could be a potential rejection if we keep moving down. So 15-minute looks clean. We're going to sit out this 15-minute candle. If we can get a closure below, then you have nice clean range to come on down. That should oh wow, yeah, look at the 4 hour.
Yeah, green numbers.
Yeah, green. Green.
That's
Shout
what
out to
should
Green.
come down.
Where's Green at today? There he is.
Shout out to Green.
Hardest working man in showbiz. I admire your work ethic.
Later.
Yeah, green numbers. Pretty 0.3 and 0.5 there too.
Yeah.
Damn, bro.
Got that increase. Inflation
Later.
going back up.
Later.
Holy.
Holy moly.
She gone.
Gold target
Gold can be
2014.
so rude sometimes.
Opa.
Opa.
Damn,
Opa.
Green's demanding for a raise. All right, I'm going to have a meeting with all the other streamers, Green. And we're going to come up with something for you.
Should have closed the runner. Hey, it was a runner. I still got 70 pips on her. She's still up.
Yeah, because you never know. You also may get a fake out here. Boink, and then you got clean traffic moving back up.
My
4 hour looks.
130 pip runner wasn't even up a 0.5%. So it's like no big deal.
He had a
We'll see. I'm gonna see
0.01.
what I do here. Yeah, I'll see what I do here.
4 hours so bearish now.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Like, and the news is bearish too, so we'll see.
Yeah.
Like,
Sheesh. We never broke those previous 4 hour and daily lows highs.
Nope. Right in that area too. All right, I guess now's a good time to get my 20 in so I can pop 100 here before 9 a.m. Glad I closed my trades before news. I'm very glad you did that too, Jimmy. That Jimmy person. I'll be right back.
What's up, James? Sheesh.
yeah, I'm trying to see how I can maximize the profit from this thing. This little 0.1.
When there's a will, there's a way, bro. Where there's problems,
I think
there's profit.
I'm gonna wait for this 5 minute to close, and then when the next one opens up and starts making the top work, I'm gonna like jump ship.
Nah, that's actually that's probably the smartest thing you can do, to be honest.
Yeah, because if it opens up and starts going up first, I'm like,
Yeah. When we're where were you in from?
1993.
Oh, fire.
So it's still up 75, but it's
great.
that's only 75.
I know.
So it's like,
Yeah, man, we struggled for those previous 4 hour highs and daily highs. Back down. We go.
yeah, TK.
Damn, Zelon, is that your own capital or? Well, actually, it has to be. Sorry.
Talk to me nice, cool.
Back into the 1900s we go. Sheesh.
Sheesh.
Bleen.
Hello, 1900s.
All right, charts. I'll catch you Monday.
Wow. Lovely.
Hey, what up, Alariza?
Go gone.
Gone, Blade.
Damn, bro.
All your IG gurus today? No, not this candle, actually. They knew where the news was going. There it is. There's the position.
Nah, they knew it was gonna tap those highs and not break them. Like right above, bro.
Crazy, bro.
Here we go. Come trade with
Up,
us. Live trading starting at 300 a month.
300 a day, no?
Limited seats only.
Stop the cap.
Limited seats only. Hurry up. It's Friday.
Good Sandman.
We need your paycheck.
Stop the cap.
Screw you, gold.
Hold on, no. They actually closed right there. 120 pips.
Yeah, and then when it drives down further, they go back and edit the message in their Telegram chat.
Who else caught this dub?
Oh my gosh.
They go in there and they make a couple fake Telegram accounts. Hey man, I just caught this dub, man. Thanks so much for the teaching.
They got burners.
They got burner Telegram accounts.
You'd have to have a bunch of phone numbers on you. That's so funny.
You gotta have a bunch of IPs, man. It's worth it, man. When you charge $29.99. If you want to learn how to get these tight stops, just like me, I'll be going over that in my mastermind. Small fee of $29,999.
Tap in.
Quick. 2 hours later, no sales come in. You're a complete idiot if you don't take advantage of this course. We're coming up. What?
Yeah.
If you're not in this course, then you need to just stop trading.
You're
never gonna get it.
What I teach, they're charging thousands for. It's like the SMA crossover.
We're only charging $2,000. Other places they're charging $10,000 for this type of information. Oh man.
Can't stand that stuff, man.
Only one spot left. The next day. All right, guys, last day for registration. We opened up. Because of high demand, we have opened up the room. We're accepting only 10 more people. The next 10, first come, first serve. First come, first serve. The next 10 people, then we're cutting it off. Yeah. I only have $10. Let's see what Nazier did here too. Yeah, drove down. Thanks, Naz. Thank you. Really want to see you move down here today. That'd be fantastic. Weekly candle back on the bearish side. And a 4-hour close below. You got a nice clean push down here for Naz. Yeah, you got clean range below 17,840 here. Grind time Mufasa's in the building. What up, Robin Hood? What's good? What's good? What up, Vicus? Is that how you say your name? Vicus? No, Vicus? Vicus or Vicus? One or two? Vika for one, Vika for two. Because I always see you, you're a real one, and I just can't pronounce. I don't know how you pronounce it. How did you not sell earlier? Like, come on. Hey, half y'all were in buys, remember? I told you this would be a problemsome area here. Come on, we got this. We got this. Oh damn. Oh damn. Oh damn. Nope. 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 What? Where? Wait. Why can't? Where's my account? Where'd the money go? Yep. What's goody? What's goody? Grind time. It's grind time, baby. What time is it? Grind time. I like watching news on the 1 minute chart. Do we have the 1 minute? We don't. I used to have the 1 minute.
On the 1 minute chart? What do you got? I have it up. Got a double bottom.
I got the 1 minute on MT5 though, you know, just in case.
Look
Just
at
in
that.
case I
Double
get
bottom.
desperate for a trade.
Quakers
Double
are
bottom,
like
yeah.
double bottom. I'm
Oh.
in buys.
Celery play on the 1 minute here.
Dudes are just looking for some.
That's what I mean. The 4 hour candle. Meanwhile, if you look at it, and they're like, I'm
There
in
it
the
goes.
buys.
There it goes. There it is. Break of the highs on the 1 minute here. Nice.
Hey, I mean, some people might make it work. Me though.
Yeah, no, a lot of traders trade the 1 minute.
This is me. I see a setup every 5 minutes on it though.
Yeah, what
Yeah.
I'm open to eventually is, let's say we're like, this is a candle, right? We get a breakout, and as this bottom wick is formed, maybe there's something on the 1 minute, like a little range, a little fake out, right? And then a closure above that happens all the time. So that's something I would be open to looking into, and that's how we can potentially get like one of these entries down here,
Yeah,
you know.
that's what I mean. Yeah.
But that's probably the only way I would do it. What do you guys say, chat? You guys want to study the 1 minute for bottom wicks? What do you want to do? How you doing? Now, I know a lot of guys that do that. One minute chart, owe me some money.
Mom and Char owes you money.
Celery on the 10-second chart. Hey, that celery worked on the 1 minute, right? I think so.
Yeah. Might.
No, but you know what's funny? A lot of really good systems come from little jokes like that. So maybe we'll look into it. We'd have to study that for months though. We'll put the heart rate monitor up, yeah. What up? What up, noble boy? What's good? What's good? Good to have you here. Thanks for all the hearts. Lovely day, lovely day. 1 minute chart, owe me some money. We'll hit the 1 minute. We'll be like, oh snap.
You look at this.
Just look at it. 1 minute breakout. I tried it and it works out. Yeah, we'll take a look. Yeah, we can study the 1 minute. Should we put it up here? Let's put it up. Let's move it.
Hold on a minute.
Wait, how do I get it over here? Oh, I gotta star it, right? There we go. Yeah, we'll begin to we'll look at it when the top wick's being formed here. Got them stops under 1 minute structure, son. Talk to me nice. Those lights in the background are fire. Oh, you guys like the lights? Yeah, how does it look? How's it look?
Looking fire. I see it.
Yeah, I was there yesterday.
I'm getting a new camera
I
too.
could tell the difference.
Just link my top one account to MT5. How long does it take? It should be right away. It should go. You've got mail, and then you're in. You should see the account loaded up on the left hand side. What up, G-Man? Has TT had any issues lately? Heard a lot of stuff been happening in the prop space. Yeah, there's stuff with the licensing, but everything is pretty cool right now. We're just, you know, doing what we can control, which is just showing up. And then once if things change, then we'll change with them. Like if we have to move over to C-Trader, then we'll just move over to C-Trader. Yeah, that should be fun. And that, like,
I would rather do that anyway.
You may have to make adjustments. I mean, you make adjustments in any industry, right? So no different here. So you may have to make adjustments all the time, right? Maybe once every couple years, once every decade, who knows? But when they do need to be made, we have to make them, right? We have to continue moving on with the trend, and not just sit there and be like, oh, I can't learn this new thing. Like, yes, we can learn it. We can learn it. We can adjust. We can adapt. So yeah, I think obviously like trading is going to stay around. It's just what platform are we trading off of? So it's not too big of a deal. A lot of people, like when news breaks out like that, a lot of people scurry, right? They're like go running around. They don't know what to do. Like you just gotta, you know, control what you can control. So if we do have to switch it up, we'll switch it up.
Yeah, someone came to me about that the other day, and they asked like, you know, how do you feel, this and that? And this is the thing is, I just know me. I know myself. I'm gonna find a way, no matter what. So it's like, I'm not worried about it.
Yeah.
If something happens, roadblock comes up, that's when I'll figure out how to get around it.
Yeah. I would begin to get familiar with C-Trader, because that just seems from me looking at everything from a logical standpoint, it just seems that that's the direction everyone's gonna go in within the next 2 months, 3 months.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
I think it has something to do with like medical just straight up not wanting anything to do with the US too. So I mean,
Yeah.
that's right up my alley.
Well,
Especially
damn,
from my Forex fund situation. Plus,
Forex
C-Trader
too?
is better than Meta, to be honest.
Yeah. Hey, we may look back. We may look in 6 months and be like, damn, why weren't we on C-Trader for the last 5 years? So I've never used it. But
Some features that you won't have to use magic keys anymore.
yeah, I think that's cool. We could toss our magic keys.
It tells you, yeah, it tells you like when you go to put your order in, like how much your loss will be, this and that. Like you can do those
That's
lines
cool.
in that.
Yeah,
like
I like
on
that.
C-Trader?
So it's like a built-in
Yeah.
magic keys.
Yeah, basically.
That's fire.
Like the what is the button called?
Magic keys, I promise. I'll never let go.
Where is my magic?
Throw all my magic keys out. No.
Yeah, when you hit like the open count
It's like I
button,
won't be needing this anymore.
it has that built into it.
Dude, that's sick.
Yeah.
I think Raja did a video, like kind of like a tutorial, so I'm gonna have to go watch that and check it out.
Yeah, I just like see the little clips of the things he posts, and I'll be looking at it. I'm like,
Yeah.
oh.
That's what I love about Raja. He's not afraid to go ahead and make that first move, adjust, get unfamiliar with something, and then get familiar with it, and you know, just move on. I like that about him. How's the new place? Oh, thanks for asking. The new place is awesome. Yeah, awesome. Family's settling in, so it's good. It's good. Rashawn Hope. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, you're moving out in a few hours. All right. Enjoy it, man. Get some sleep. You got a big day ahead of you.
Yeah, big move.
Nice, bro.
I'm sure a lot of these other platforms, I'm sure there's going to be even more platforms too. Like, remember, anytime there's a problem or a gap to fill, there are smart people looking to take advantage of that opportunity, right? So if I'm a coder, if I do coding, or if I'm in the techie space, I'm looking around in the industry and I'm going, okay, maybe I can make a new MT5, right? Maybe I can put something together that's better than anything anyone has ever seen. So you already know that there's people working on things, right? college geeks up in the dorm room right now, working on the next big thing that people can trade off of. So, yeah, you'll see a lot of adjustments, and if people are very familiar with MetaTrader, then they'll probably look to emulate MetaTrader in their own way, type of thing, you know.
Yeah, I think change is good too, especially like with, you know, like MetaTrader's just been like the standard. Nobody's ever wanted to use anything different ever. Well,
Yeah,
I mean,
no.
as far as I know, I haven't.
Nah,
I
that's
haven't
true.
had a reason to. Like, I don't know. If it ain't broke, don't fix it.
Yep.
Yeah.
It's all starting to break though. The pipes are leaking.
The pipes are leaking.
Back.
You guys didn't even tell me yesterday. My hair was all like sticking out, looking like Johnny Bravo. Come on, chat.
Yo, Johnny Bravo.
Bravo.
I had like a wave coming out from the
Johnny Bravo.
from the Johnny Bravo wave. That dude who sold his Bitcoin is working on the app. He's working on the platform. Possible wick fill, yes. Yep. We got 8 minutes here. We got a new 4-hour candle. We also have a new 1 hour, 30 minute, 15, 5 minute, all that good stuff coming up in 8 minutes here. So right back up we go.
Yeah,
Interesting.
Interesting. Darian, that is interesting as well. I've seen that C-Trader straight up apparently doesn't accept U.S. residents, so I don't know how they're. I mean, I don't even know if that's true, but that's what I've seen as well. So I don't even know, bro.
I think they'll be good through the funded firms. So
That's what I mean. But that's like,
As
how
Think
long will it
Markets-
last then?
I think Marcus doesn't accept U.S. clients either. I believe.
Yeah. Look at that chat. You should. Did anybody take the double bottom on the 1 minute?
Should have took that 1 minute celery, boy.
Yeah,
Maybe next time we'll look at that for high impact news.
Yeah.
PM Magnifico. What's good? What's good?
PM Magnifico. I like the
Ooh.
hearts.
Guitar, baby.
Brother.
Guitar.
Look at that 4 hour. Oh.
4 hour back up. We go. Holy. All you gotta do is close below support on the 4 hour, but then we still need a 30 closure below support and stuff. Yeah, and a top wick. So what I'm thinking is, if we do want to go down, we may get a top, like the 15 may look something like this. 9 a.m. to 9:15, and then 9:15 to 9:30 closes like this, and then 9:30 drives down back down to retest the lows. After creating support there. So we'll see. I'm sorry, resistance. I was actually tempted on the 5 minute buy. The 5 minute buy. Oh yeah. It's tough to take a buy, you know, like when the news comes out like that and you get a nasty push down like that. Sheesh, 1 minute celery. Talk to me nice.
Yo.
Talk to me nice.
That thing went
Holy.
crazy, bro. What was the stop on that? Look at the RR. Holy.
20, like 21 pips.
See, that's still a big stop loss. So
Yeah, I
like,
know.
For
I
the
know.
1 minute.
For real, for the 1 minute.
20 something pips.
For real. Doo, 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 doo. Nobody more. Hey, where's Alexandru been, bro?
I don't know. I asked that. to someone, though.
He might be in the chat.
Haven't seen him in a minute.
Hey, Nick. By far my favorite streamer. Hey, thank you, thank you. Do you also connect with or watch other streamers? Sometimes. I don't really watch them, but I'll pop in and say hello. Yeah. Yeah, like every now and then whenever I'm reminded, I'll go see my boy Wix. I'll also sometimes go check out my boy Lorenzo. So yeah. Don, I haven't really got to see Don much because we stream at the same time now, so. But it was always a pleasure watching Don. Raja does the London, so sometimes I'll see him in the early morning as he's on his way out. He's in Rikers. Yo, the groomsmith. So yeah, a couple minutes here for the closure and we'll see where we're at. We need to do a meetup.
Yeah. Chat. It's funny.
He's lurking.
Does someone ask me, does Raja Bank stream every day? Bro, I don't know.
Type in YouTube, Raja Banks. Hey, yes sir, Alexandros. Yes sir.
Oh, what up, Wix9?
Oh,
Hey,
there's
let's go,
Wix.
Wix.
Shout out to Wix9 in the chat.
Yo's in the chat.
What up?
What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? How'd we do last night, Wix? After I left, anything? Are you dumb or stupid?
That's the best. That's the best.
Dropping by to show some love. Yes, sir. Hey, Lorenzo, look at that. Lorenzo's in the house, too. Right on top of Wix. Wow, that's so funny. They just asked me, hey, do you ever watch any other live streamers? And I said, I always go in and say hello to Wix and Lorenzo. And then boom, boom. One after another. Wow.
Oh, for real.
Insane. Yeah, W for them guys. Crushing it.
Chat.
Yeah, legends. Legends. Shiro's still searching for a wife. Yeah, Shiro will be back. I talked to Shiro like a couple of weeks ago. The man, my man, that's my man from Wakanda.
Oh, Wix, you live right now? What up to Wix's stream?
Manifestation? Yeah, we manifested. They're here, they're here. Yeah, how y'all boys doing today? Everyone doing good? You guys feeling good? Happy Friday. Got a 4-hour close incoming. Dropout Traders in the house. What up, Dropout Trader? All right, cool. So we did get a pretty decent 4-hour closure here. 1 hour close very nicely as well. 30-minute close really good as well, below 2002 there. So gonna need a top wick. Let's see the 15. Yeah, if we can get a resistance now, right? Like even if this next 15 wants to move up a little bit, All right, do something like this, and then we can potentially get a bearish close on the next 15, back below the range, and then that's our sells here at 9:30. All right, come down, fill that wick, and then price may continue driving for the day. So we'll see if we can get that. Definitely need a top wick here, and then if that resistance can get formed here on the 15, that'd be awesome.
Wait on it.
Perfect. Looks good. No bottom wick here either. So happy Friday. Enjoy your weekend. Yeah, you too, Wicks. Enjoy the weekend, man. Hope you have a great one.
Sir, stay blessed, Wicks.
Got the whole squad in here. Yeah, this is good. We need a top wick on the 1 hour and the 4 hour here. So this is awesome. Bring out the whole G. Bring out all the top Gs. Yeah, what are you guys doing this weekend? Anything?
Chilling.
Alea's birthday's on Sunday. So
Oh,
we're gonna
really?
go jump around in this
W.
trampoline place and have some fun, order some food, and chill out.
Yeah.
That'll be
Her uncles will be there.
That'll be awesome.
John.
Yes, I will be.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. Yo, FX Viking, my man. Miss you, bro. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're crushing it in life. Hope you're crushing it in trading. Good to see you here, my man. Damn, I miss FX Viking.
FX Viking.
Remember, I've brought him up a few times. So where's the FX Viking, man? I like that guy. Yeah.
thanks, Viking.
Yeah, we miss you, man. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing well.
Yeah.
Good to see you here today. WX Viking, yes.
Yeah, I don't know. I probably ain't doing too much this weekend. I might go like get pictures, bro, because I don't ever get pictures.
Oh yeah, yo, Sam, but when
Yeah.
you do,
Like that, bro.
That's
Them
what I
joints
mean.
come
I
out
think
fly, bro.
I gotta appreciate it. I appreciate it.
Hell yeah,
Yeah, you too, though, bro. I'll be like, yeah, I gotta spice up the grind. Spice it up.
Add a little bit of spice.
Put a little sauce on it.
For real.
Glamour shots from the 90s.
That'd be pretty gas, honestly.
Yes, TK. Yes, I'm gonna say yes. He says that.
Maverick came in here yesterday and just unplugged everything.
Damn.
Oh, really?
You gotta keep that door shut, bro.
He said, tighten up.
Yeah, this actually looks pretty good, man. I think I'm gonna have sell stops here. If we break that low, I want to sit tight on this, at least this 5. See if you can close like 5 celery, and if we do, I'm gonna have sell stops. Yeah, 15 looks good. If it breaks its own low, it should be good. 30-minute will flip, break its own low, 1 hour and 4 hour here. So let's wait on this 5 celery maybe. Yep, have some sell stops. Don't leave without us.
Wait for us, go.
Let's see. When's Raja coming on the stream? Hey, he's been on the stream a few times.
Yeah. We almost had him on the Zoom one day, chat.
On my birthday.
Secretly.
Oh my.
Yeah.
Remember that?
I thought it was for the 24-hour.
All right, we need a top
No,
wick
do you
here.
remember that too?
That'd have been lit.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we almost had him, man. All right, chat, I'm gonna have sell stops here on the break of the lows. If we re-break that 30 low, it should be a goner. You got a nice 5-minute celery play too, so sell stops. Yeah, gonna go. Let's measure the range here. We got a support right here, which is about 15 pips away. So most likely gonna go break even. I mean, close partials right here, and then full target's gonna be down at 95, 95, 96.
You're using current candle.
Yes,
Oh.
I'm using the 5 structure up here, so above here. Which I believe is current candle, yeah. All right, Lorenzo, see you later, bro. Have a great day. Maybe I'll pop on the stream, say what's up if I got some time later.
Yeah, you might see me too. Sam Capital.
Sam Capital.
Lorenzo.
Sam Capital.
Yeah, pop in and say hi.
All right, can we get activated here? Should be good to get activated. Almost, almost. GJ Trader? Nope. Oh, GJ Trade? Nah. GJ's gone with the wind.
I do a game with GJ where I just when I think it might go up or do whatever, I just mark it on TradingView and then let it go.
Yeah.
That's literally what I just been doing. Bro, I've been hitting lately on them paper trades, bro.
The paper trades. Yeah, so if we get activated here, what we're anticipating happening is I should be in. Yeah, so if we break these lows, we've got clean traffic to the left. We should come down and fill this this area here, which is going to be a support. That's where we're going to close 80% of our position, and then our full target is going to be down here towards this wick fill and retesting that support. So I think I've been activated at this point, and that is the idea here. Stops are going to be kept. Hold on. Stops are going to be kept above the highs here. TP is going to be down here, and that will be the trade. We've already made a top wick. We've broken the lows. We should drive down here. GJ's history. She's a goner. She's a goner.
We get a
What is this GJ? What is this GJ you're talking about?
GJ.
What's a GJ?
GJ who?
GJ is it's rubbish, mate.
Rubbish. What is this rubbish we hear of? Lovely. GJ Khaled. Oh.
Do you guys drink? I don't.
Drink
Nick
water.
don't, and
Barely.
And John's not allowed.
Only spring water.
The Matrix doesn't allow John.
Nice.
Yeah, only water.
Mountain Valley when I can, but I don't drink Mountain
Not
Valley
in my
all the
bag.
time.
It's not in my character.
Its favorite pair of AB Mike and Sam, they told. Yes. Gold, yes. If that's what you're talking about.
Goldie. Did I get slipped? I may have gotten slipped a little bit, yeah. Yeah, it pushed down pretty aggressive there at the break of those lows. Nice, FX Viking. Very nice, bro. Good stuff. That is the journey. You know, that's the journey. That's how the game goes.
Oh, Gaudi. Damn, I'm heavily slipped.
Beautiful position here, though. This is a textbook playbook position. It has about I would say 78 to 80% win rate on this guy. So lovely position, win, lose, or draw. I like this move. I would take this move any day of the week.
We should
Any
have
day
some
of the week.
volume too from the news.
Yep. Yep. Do. Sup, TK? TK's in the house.
He's him.
All right.
That guy.
He's that guy, TK.
There it is. Gonna close partials right there. So right around 8 pips, gonna close partials and go into move stops to break even. And we may pull back a little bit for NYSE open. So that's there for us. There may also be another entry if we can get a closure below here. So yeah, that's gonna be my position. Close partials, and we'll see if the rest of it can run a bit. But no more risk on the table here. We should have volume coming in too.
Lead.
Yep, and we may get another trade here at 9:30. Yeah, so let me move stops to BE.
W. Get the chat fired up.
Raja would say 80% chance breaks the lows. Yeah. Yeah, because we also have a support here, right? This is a very strong support too to the left. So we're going to need volume to burst us through that. The volume isn't here just yet, but it should be coming in about 3 minutes. Nice dub in the sketchy market. Yeah, sketchy. It's sketchy here. Nice, nice. Run, Forrest, run. See if we can break the lows. Got some workers outside the crib, man. Making noise. Quiet down out there.
I have to open the window and be like, yo, can you shut up? No, I'm kidding.
Hey, you want to do me a favor and shut the front door?
Do me a favor. Make my freaking sandwich.
Preliminary consumer sentiment. Yeah, so they are expecting good numbers for that as well. That would bring gold down. So their previous month, it was 79. They're expecting it to be 80, right? So the higher the sentiment is, the better for the dollar. And then obviously, better for the dollar brings gold down.
Yep. Yep. All right. There's the partial TP that I forgot to delete. Boom. And yeah, stops at BE. And that is that's where we want to, that's our advantage point right there, right? That's where we want to look to make a decision, because that's a strong support level. So if we can push through that support now, that'd be awesome. It looks like the new 15 opened, or it's about to open up here in 48 seconds. And we should have no problem filling that wick here come 9:30.
Yeah, this next 15 might bleed.
Later come, and that's what we wanted too. So if we didn't enter there, what we wanted to see was a 15-minute resistance here. So again, we really need to get below this zone right here, right? We need to get back below there, so that way we can be confident that that wick right there should get filled. So we've got to our first level of support. Now let's see if we can get to the second, and we did close below, so that's fire. So if we can survive the bottom wick here, we should have runners coming down towards 95 here today.
You still have a runner?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, I think this thing got bleed.
Yeah, I meant to delete that partial because it closed more in my position, but it's fine.
Yeah, close.
All I
90.
care about is the trade, right? The trade setup.
Yeah.
Dun, dun. Nice, nice. Yeah, so now we should come on down here. 9:15 and then 9:30 should really rip us down here. Yeah, so good trade though. We were waiting on the sells here below 2002, right? We got a top wick, and sometimes when there's high volume, that's what typically you will see, is that you'll begin to see that 4 hour at 9 a.m. begin to move, right? So sometimes we wait for 9:30, sometimes or 9:15, 9:30. Sometimes it's smart to take it at 9. And in a day where you have high volume, where you have green numbers on the dollar, where you have every closure you need, those are the days where you want to kind of see if you can act at 9 a.m.
Nice, bro.
So if you took that trade, W's in the chat. I would potentially close some partials if you haven't. And we should go ahead and fill this wick now. So W trade, guys.
W.
Yeah, good trade.
I don't know
Yeah, we
why I
should
really
fill
like
that
that
wick.
one. I really like that one.
Yeah, that was beauty.
Faraz,
love-
you already know the
We love
Better go
Fridays.
crazy.
Chat about to go crazy.
I just that was beautiful.
Textbook.
Good.
Get back.
I think
Touch
those days, like after 9:30, or not 9:30, 8:30, when you get news.
Yep.
If you have like a setup like that, like the wick fill, bro, I feel like we've seen that before, where like normally like we just let it go and then it would just
Yes.
run without us
Yes.
the whole way.
And look,
Actually,
doesn't matter.
That-
Nope. No, it don't, because
No,
we
but it's like we
spot
know
it.
that-
Yeah, like
yeah.
that's one thing we've been really good at, is spotting things, taking our time with it, and then acting on it, and just watching our ideas play out. Like it's worked a lot with the 9 a.m. candle that you're talking about. We also with the pack runner when we noticed that last year. So I love how we've just continued to develop the strategy, right? And just make it better and better and better. You know,
Yeah,
month
dope.
by month. So I'm gonna
Yeah, dope.
trail my stops here of the 15-minute candle. So it's gonna trail stops about 10 pips in profit now.
and that just made so much sense. Like 1 hour bearish, right? 30-minute 1 hour bearish, 4 hour bearish, daily bearish. Like we had volume in there from the news, wick to fill.
Yep.
Made a lot of sense.
Yeah, I wish I didn't close again. I forgot to delete the line there, but it's okay. I coulda, I shoulda, I woulda, had I.
Coulda, shoulda, woulda.
Dude, what is that? Three dubs in 3 days in a row?
3 W's, man. 3
Look,
W's.
chat. Look what happens when you put the pressure on the man.
Ooh, it's pressure,
Make him
baby.
perform, bro.
I told
Make
you,
him perform.
once I got back settled in, like my house, my new crib, got the baby good, like I got back into routine a little bit, back into flow state. I was saying earlier, it's no surprise that we took got clipped 6 times in a row. It just happened to be when I was out of flow, right? Out of routine. So that's how important your daily routines are, having your daily, what makes you the best you, right? When you're out of that, sometimes you can, obviously, as you see, fall into a little bit of a funk, a little bit of a funky slunky,
For sure.
But yeah, good trade.
Yeah, yeah, I think the same thing happened on, what was it, Tuesday with the CPI,
Mm-hmm.
where it was like, yeah, if we would have taken it on the 15, like right after, or something like that, something similar
Yeah, yep,
scenario like today.
Yep, that's true.
Yeah, this thing looks like a gone.
Yeah, you should fill the wick here. We got 9:30 coming too now, so. Oh, late.
Later.
Yeah, cause chat, watch. This will be like one of those trades where it's like 9:30 will come, and then the entry will like be like, ooh, it'll be like one of those ones.
Yep.
Swear.
Yeah, I'm gonna close another partials right there, and now I'm pretty much all the way out of this move here. Still got a small runner. So TP2
Chat.
is right here.
Chat, look at Nick and Sam and just notice how steady their emotions are right now. It's at a very straight, calm point, right? It's not too high, not too low, very steady. And if you're a trader and you're trying to be this in the long term, really work on keeping your emotions level throughout trades, right? And not growing weary and just confident in the edge in the trade itself.
Yeah, chat. Who remembers I took a loss earlier too?
Yeah.
It doesn't even affect like me or my mood or nothing. It's just all part of the game.
Yep.
Win,
No, I love
loss, whatever happens. Yeah.
What did you do?
Some of you probably forgot I even took that trade earlier and lost.
Exactly.
I honestly did until I just looked at my P&L.
It seems like you took an L, and then all you did was you just waited for the next best setup, and then executed on it.
That's it.
Wow.
Yeah.
It works. So it does work.
Simple. Yeah, simple.
Principles.
Yeah, see, you took that 15 pip minor. That's literally just like, I just tell those like little things in my head. Minor L, boom, 15 pips, whatever. Like, on to the next best setup. And then what? This one right here, double. It's running like 30 pips right now. Simple. Yeah, because why gamble? Why like chase that L?
Yeah.
And you forgot about the loss you took. Nick, you forgot about the last couple losses you took, right? That wasn't in your mind at the moment. What was in your mind was, like we're talking about now, is the trade, focusing on today, the present day, and the trade, the present market conditions. And yeah.
Pretty much, man.
Yeah.
Because that's all you can do at the end of the day. What are you going to do?
We do the same thing.
Exactly. There's nothing else to do except to
Same
come
thing.
back and trade.
Yeah, what did we do?
Trust the edge.
We waited for this opportunity. Once right as we seen it about to go down, what did we do? We set our parameters. So we set our entry, right? Our entry, right? We planned the trade. We had our stop loss. We had our target, which was our TP down here. And then we had our advantage point, right? Advantage point, which was right here at the support. Because if I like to close a little bit above the support, because if we don't push through it, then we reject it, right? So those were our 4 parameters that we had in mind, that we have for every single trade we take. And this is how we do it, right? We plan the trade right here, and then we trade the plan. And that's every trade. And remember, we're not trying to get back those 6 losses. We're not trying to get back anything. We're just looking to trade the parameters in front of us. That's it. That is it. Yeah, let's mark the trade up. Oh, yo, where's update the record? I think I only see one person holding it down. Oh yeah, that's a good question. We kind of answered this, but hey Nick, John, can you please tell why you took the trade on the first 15 of the 4 hour? Usually you wait to the next 30. Yes, so yes, that's a great job at knowing what we do. And the time, so me and Sam were just talking about this. So one thing me and Sam and John have always looked is like, how come some days we take trades at 9 a.m. and they work really well, and some days they don't? And what we come to realize is that typically the day, if it's a news day, right, and the price action lines up and the results of the news line up and there's high volatility, a lot of times this 4 hour won't take too long to create that top wick, right? Where other days it may be like a 15-minute, kind of closure and then a close back below and then drive. So where there's high volatility and all those things line up, that is the day that typically this top wick will not take that very long at all. Like in today's case, it took 5 minutes. And we looked at the 5 minute and we went ahead and we seen that there was a 5 minute celery play, which was right here. And that was our entry. So understanding when price may not hold up, right? Price may just want to go. And today's a day that that price wanted to do that due to the volume, due to the obviously 915 came in, right? So that's where you get the bulk of the move. and green numbers on the dollar. Just putting it together, you know, you got to put the puzzle together a bit and really think and analyze and, you know, interpret what's in front of you. Fluent in the market, baby.
Just think about it too. Like if news came out at 8:30, right? News brings in a lot of volume. You saw a crazy 100+ pip leader to the downside, right? Now we have a bearish candle closure with a wick to fill. When do wicks get filled, right? Times of volume. So we should have some more volume, right? Because right after the news dropped, we brought in volume, right? So the volume was there, so it just made sense.
Yeah, nah, not gonna lie, the fact that we took 122 wins together at this point is nuts.
Yeah, that is true.
All right, cool. We are back. We are what do they call that in baseball? Where your record is like 9-9.
500.
Yeah, we're back above 500 here. Lovely. Amen, brother. Count it all joy. Glory to glory, bro. Glory to glory. All right. A setback is a setup for a comeback. Where's Salty Barrow? He was here earlier. I think we blessed him and he was just like, how do I even quake on this guy?
Yeah, I wasn't upset if you're listening, Salty Bear. Or I mean, oh my goodness, Sugar Bear, bro. If you're still listening somehow, I was not upset with you particularly that day. We were just having a great day. I didn't want you to come ruin it, bro.
Yeah, we don't like. It's no point in hating. You're only hating yourself when you're hating on others.
Yeah, literally nobody feels that but you, bro.
Yeah, we feel for the haters. We turn a lot of Quakers into loyal like subscribers and members of the community, man. So I love it.
Yeah.
All right, so stops are sitting above the highs here now. And that's it. That's the trade for me. Lovely Friday. Beautiful week, too.
Yeah, W week. The lines on my MetaTrader are everywhere.
Yeah. They're everywhere.
Here, I'll put a screenshot in the Discord. Yeah, that's funny.
Unfortunately, here I closed 80% here, and then when it came back down, because I forgot to actually delete the partial, it closed another 80. So that kind of, I'm not salty about it. I promise. I promise. I promise.
I promise.
How about buys now? Oof, I don't know. Me no speak English. Maybe.
One good trade a day keeps the problems away.
One good trade. Let's go ahead and mark that up. Who dipped on us here? Oh, not too many people. Not too many people. You guys are still hanging around. Good stuff, man. Congratulations, everyone, if you took that trade. W for you guys and W for us. So that was, again, that was 9 a.m. today. Oh, what's this? We even had special guests here today with some other awesome live streamers. And it's a good one. Goldie Gold.
Yeah, Sandman spitting. He said the win rates on Friday are crazy.
I know, yeah, we're always hot on Fridays, man. I'll be honest, that was a 5-minute celery play that we really took that based off of. So although we were looking at the 30-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, we took the entry based off of the 5 celery. So we'll put the 5 on the board here today. I'm gonna get rid of celery here because it really is supposed to be in setup type. And that was the break of the previous low. That was off the 5 and full risk. Ready? And then I think close the rest of it at 36.
Yeah, W. Amazing trade, brother.
Yeah, another good one. And then I'll add this up once we're done. Bruh. Quiet it down out there. Guy's got a jackhammer outside my
Okay, well, nah, I don't know why they're here today. I mean,
You ready? Oh, where'd the
Not
president go? John, you hitting the gym after the session here?
I'm about to leave in a little bit.
Very nice, very nice.
You want to come?
Nah, I have to do something after here. I'll probably be going to around 11.
Got you.
Can't hear it? Oh, yeah, that's because I got the Shure mic. The Shure mic. Hey. Hey. Thanks, bro. Passed my second funded. Oh, beautiful. Congratulations. Congratulations. Yeah, I like that, John. It's not about winning. It's about conditioning your mind to be neutral. See that, what he said? Keyword there, reacting neutral towards wins and losses.
Thanks.
Oh. So let's see if we can get down and fill that wick. Struggling here. 9:30 coming in, or 9:30 is here actually. So yeah, 9:30 is here, and we are struggling still down there. Gonna trail stops above the highs here. So stops are like 20 pips, trailing like 20 pips in profit.
Sir. On to the next.
On to the next trade. TK, this is where you want to close, bro. Don't try to hold till 1880. No. TK's holding till 1880, bro.
Nah, chill.
Close it, bro. It's Friday. It's Friday, man. Close partials, bro.
Bro, Nick, we hitting the stakes tonight?
Oh, yeah. I have some stakes here.
Got it, bro.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. TK's trailing on the 5. Okay, okay.
Yo, TK, meet me there, bro. Yeah, I think I'm about to head out of here, though.
All right, champ.
Get this session in, get this pumping. I need a pump right now.
I think I'm out this trade, too. Yeah, I'm out.
You
I'm
just
out.
got out.
Yep. Stops were locked in profit and just got popped.
Okay,
Beautiful.
hey, if you want to get stopped out, I'd rather get stopped out on profit. So
That's true. All right, man. Enjoy
right,
your
brother.
workout.
thanks, brother. I'll catch you later. Give
Yes,
you a
sir.
call.
Yes, sir. I'll see you later.
Sam's not here, but peace, Sam.
Sam, I am. Later, bro.
All right, later, bro. Peace, chat.
Peace.
Stay blessed. Have a good weekend.
And there he goes.
Peace. I'm out.
Long weekend. Yeah, yeah, I mean, 2 days, normal weekend. But yeah, we got Leia's birthday birthday party on Sunday, so we're gonna have some fun on Sunday, and that's pretty much it. Everything else, normal routine.
Goodbye, John.
What's a weekend? Yeah, John said bye.
Yeah, no, that's what I heard right as I was walking in.
Let's see what Nas did here. Nas driving down too, just like gold. Lovely. Lovely, lovely. Who moved my cheese? Yeah, that's a good book. I read that book a couple years back. Always great to end the week with a dub. What up, Spence? How you doing, man? Yeah, Fridays are our best days. Happy B-Day to Lele. Yeah, Lele is going to be 3 on Sunday. It feels like I feel like I've had her for 10 years. It's the freedom, man. You know, everyone says, man, time flies, enjoy them. But once you get free from a job, you begin to slow life down a little bit. You begin to slow life down, and it's pretty awesome. Look at GBPJPY. Never! GBPJPY is gone. What pair is that? The days are long and the years are short. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, that's true, Xander. That's true. Almost. Fun age? Yeah. Oh, wow. My 7. Yeah. I try and enjoy it, man. I'm one of those guys that understand, like, the moment will be gone, you know? And I really do my best to sink into the moment. I learned this with my grandparents. You know, I knew that they were obviously going to pass at some point, right? And they were, you know, in their 80s and stuff. And I just cherished every moment, knowing that, you know, one day they're not going to be here. Like, one day I won't be able to do this anymore, you know, and they're both gone, you know, now. But I learned that, and I do the same exact things, like, with my children. It's like, I know pretty soon she'll be 16 years old, you know. Maverick will be 16, and, you know, so I just try and really do my best to soak it all in and enjoy it and just cherish it, man. Just cherish it. Sometimes I'll hug Alea and I'll just dig it deep into my memory. Yeah. Oh, wow. Sandman, your daughter's turning 7 on the 28th? Very nice. 10 days after Alea. Cool. How did I transition from a 9 to 5? I did it a bit unorthodox. Yeah, I did it a bit unorthodox. I had some money saved and just decided to go all in. You know, at one point I was building a successful network marketing business, which helped out a lot. And then, you know, got into trading and failed a bit, blew a lot of my money, right, learning, and then had a window of opportunity. So I made sure I made right with it. You know, back was against the wall. I probably shouldn't have quit the job, right? My wife didn't work either, but I did. You know, I did, and I was willing to bet on myself. And every time I bet on myself, it's the best bet that I could ever make. Yeah, it worked out. It worked out. Oldest son is 18? Wow. He's about to go on a missionary intern. Wow, that's beautiful. Yeah, that's amazing. Praise God. Hey, everyone got kids in here. Damn, I didn't know all y'all had kids. I'm going to have to talk about parenting a little bit more. Am I in the sell? My stops got hit in profit here. So TP took profit here, and then stops got hit right there.
I got a little something going. Another 0.1.
Hey, let's go. Hold it till next week.
Yeah, see if it goes to next week. No, I'll probably end up closing.
Baby girl's gonna be 2 in March. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, nice. That's very nice. My name is Sensitive. Beautiful. What a kind person you are. When to buy? I think if you were gonna buy, you probably should have done it already. Yeah, you may make a new little higher low here on the 5 and continue down, but I'm out, so that was my trade of the day. How do I deal with the kids? Hey man, that's up to you to find out. Oh, you're an organic farmer? Hey, I need some cows from you then. Can you send some cows? Where are you located? Where are they at? I got a question, although I'm still a kid. Once he said once your kids were born, you spoke the word of God in them. Yeah, I did, because I wanted the first thing that they ever hear in the physical realm to be a promise that God has over their life, that their creator has over their life. And I just want to speak it into them, right? First thing that they hear. So yeah, I've done that with all my children. I learned that from my mentor. All right, LeGrand, see you later, big dog. Enjoy your weekend, bro. It's Friday. Let's do 6 more trades. Let's do.
Whoa.
A purpose. No worries, no worries. I have 6 kids. All right, so whoever asked a question about how do you handle your kids, ask them. They got 6 kids, man. Holy. I got 3. 6. Holy. Send me some cows, bro. This week was good in the markets? Yeah, it was. It was good to us. You know, it was good to us in the market, and we were good to us, right? We were good to us because we waited patiently. We were professional. We were mature with our capital. We made plans in the beginning of the sessions, right, when we had a very logical mindset, and then we just executed on those plans. And you know what's crazy? Like the same thing we did for, you know, the last couple losses is the same exact thing we did for the last couple wins here. So it just, if there's one thing that I would hope you guys see is that it really is a game of probability, right? It really just is a game of probability and letting numbers work themselves out. The problem is us, right? We're the only problem in the equation, because when we take a loss or two, we begin to go a little cuckoo, right? So as long as you don't go cuckoo and you stay level-headed and composed, then you will just let the probabilities continue playing themselves out, you know. And it just goes to show you, you know, that when you do stay composed and when you do just show up every day looking for the next best trade, that you can come out of it. Yep, I'm happy. I'm happy you guys all got to see me get clipped 6 times in a row, you know, and kind of see my reactions and see how I approach the markets every day, and just watch my attitude, and, you know, watch the way I conducted myself. And I hope it's a good example for you guys, because at some point you're probably going to hit 6 losses too, you know. Maybe you won't hit them in front of 2,000 people, but you'll hit them on your own, right, where no one sees. And, you know, you have to react. Your reaction has to be really on point when no one's watching you, right? Because it's very easy to slip up there when no one's watching. So, yeah, I hope it's just an example. I don't mind it. I'm cool. You know, I'm cool with it all. So it's part of the process, part of the journey. Zoom chat, what up? Oh snap! Zoom.
Zoom chat, what up?
Yeah, let's see if that trade got tracked there in TradeZella too. It should have. Sometimes TradeZella takes a few to get going. Yeah, not yet, not yet. So it should get tracked there. If you guys aren't using TradeZella, man, go ahead and use TradeZella to track all your trades. I think you can type in our chat exclamation point TradeZella or something, right? You can get a discounted rate on TradeZella and use this, man. Use this. This is really good. They have all different types of. You can create your playbook in here as well, so it's pretty fire. It usually takes about an hour or two to update the trade or update the day when you do it. So if you didn't see it yet, just yet, you don't worry about it. It'll get registered in there. That's what's up. That's what's up. TJ. TJ. Is Monday a bank holiday?
Oh, it is.
Yeah, what we got?
President's Day.
All right, we're still gonna stream. I'll still be here. So if you got, I understand if you got some of you guys are chilling. I'll still show up on Monday, and we'll hang out. We'll see if we can talk about some cool topics and just watch price.
And then Canada has Family Day.
Family Day. Ooh, I like it.
Yeah. Why don't we have that?
Where's our Family Day?
Yeah. Come on, bro.
Yeah, I'll be here on Monday. It's a hub, man. It's like it's more than trading. It's kind of just a hub to get together as a familia, hang out, answer questions, talk about important things that matter, talk about glitch in the matrix. What he said? Yeah. Your stream helped me to stop over trading. Beautiful. beautiful. Yeah, I'm not sure what it is for the TradeZella. To be honest, Nightbot would probably know better than me. Yeah, TradeZella is fire though. Like you can create, so you get a daily journal. You can there's a somewhat of a training in here as well. I haven't gone through this, but you can create your own playbook here as well. So you can use so we obviously use this this guy just for visual, but you can also use the playbook here and mark up all your trades. They have a trade replay, all that good stuff. Mentor mode, which is pretty good. You could do back testing. So they're coming out with a lot of good stuff. A lot of my friends are using this too. And then you could also create notes and all that good stuff. So yeah, it's pretty good. I really like it. I'm quite gonna get back in the trade. Oh yeah.
Yo, chat. I was about to say, who's so old? So I was gonna say, I'll probably stay till the news.
Yeah, we got news coming here.
I was just wondering if it's gonna break the lows and keep moving before the news even happens, but the more important news has already happened. Yeah, don't re-enter. Someone said. DK said, don't re-enter.
Don't do it.
You got a runner. Cool.
Yeah, because if you re-enter here now, like where are we, chat? If we close here, are we at the bottom of the range or the top of the range? Right? Notice how up here we were at the top of the range, so we still had a nice like 10, 12 pips to go. Where now, if we close down here, we're kind of at the bottom, so. And really the range is kind of like here. Investment on TradeZilla is 100% worth it. Yeah, you like it, Praz? I like it too. It's cool. It gives you a cool visual too. What was I gonna do here? Oh yeah, I gotta check my schedule here. Yeah, I'll wait for the news, and then I got some things to take care of here today.
It's Friday.
It's Friday, man.
Yeah, the news will probably be like the last of the like real volume this one. See what it does. See if my runner runs.
Run.
Think it'll double up or no. My other one didn't. Maybe this one will.
Apart from parenting, how to be a good son? Just be a good person. Yeah, just be a good person. I'm not too sure how to be a good son because I don't know what your parents' values are. So that would be a question for your parents. You know, hey, if you can see me the way you want to, as a good son, what would that be for you?
Take it easy, Chama. Chama life. Be blessed.
Chala's out. Later, brother. Oh, Charma life.
Chama.
Later, Charma life. You be blessed too. Hey, be great this weekend. Charma life. For those of you guys that are dipping out, don't let up on the weekend, right? Like TK said, what's a weekend, right? Every, actually not every, most successful, and I don't mean just money, I mean successful. Most of the successful people I know, they treat every day the same, right? It's just every day, same routine. And when I say successful, I don't mean a millionaire or money-wise, right? Because you could be a millionaire and you could be a big, lazy slob, right? With horrible intentions. That to me is not successful, right? I'm talking about people who are really killing it in all aspects of life. No BS. You know, billionaires, some of them guys, they can't even move. They're so damn fat, they can't even move. They're so unhealthy because they've done unhealthy things in life. Wow, that doesn't. I would never want to trade lifestyles with those type of people if I can get their money. Absolutely not. How do you measure success? I measure success. I like what my buddy Luke said. He said, success is measured by the more success you have, the less pressure you have on your chest every morning when you wake up. Freedom, baby. Success for me is just chilling, being free with my family, having time and money. You know, may not have millions and millions and millions, but we got money, we got time, and time is way more valuable than money. I've always been big on freedom. Do what I want, when I want, where I want, for as long as I want, with who I want, because I can, right? Because I got time, I've got money, I've got what I like to call the 6 Saturdays and a Sunday, chasing the endless summer with me and my best friend, my wife. Chasing my wife around the crib. Being free. Really appreciate the live stream. Yeah, thanks, man. You're like a motivational speaker. I just like to talk about my experiences, things that have worked for me, things that haven't worked for me, things that my mentor taught me. I feel like I can pass it down to you. Verse of the day. Verse of the day is in Proverbs. Hold on. Verse of the day. Which one do y'all want? I like this one. Honor the Lord with your wealth, with the first fruits of all your crops. Then your barns will be filled to overflowing, and your vats will brim over with new wine. I gotta tell you, man, when I started really doing that, giving, is when everything changed for me. All of a sudden, the financial doors began to open, right? Bible says, test me in this, right? And say I won't open up the floodgates. And I've seen it happen in my life. So if you guys are struggling a bit, maybe try and give a little, right? Maybe try and give a little. Yep, everything changed. Everything changed for me. When I was trying to hold all the money myself, I never was getting any more. I was just holding on to what I had, right? But once I started freely giving it away and giving my first fruits, that's when the law started to work in my favor. Yep. Crazy how it happens. There might be something real to it. Who's my mentor? I have a few different mentors. Yeah, I have a few different mentors in a few different areas of life, right? Because you don't want to, just because you have one mentor doesn't mean he knows everything, right? So it's like, who's your doctor, you know? It's like, well, doctor for what? You know, because my heart doctor is not going to be my brain doctor, right? And my brain doctor is not going to be my I don't know. You guys know what I mean. Not going to be my bone doctor, you know? I'm not going to have my brain doctor look at the bones in my toes. So you got to have multiple mentors. Ear, nose, and throat. Yeah, I'm not going to go to the ear, nose, and throat guy for a broken ankle. Luke Belmar, yes, is one of my mentors. Yep. Oh, nice, Melissa. Nice. Welcome in. Yeah, Luke's a top G, man. Capital Club. El Capital. Sam's gonna come to Capital Club soon. I really wanted to get over to the glitch meetup in Singapore, but I got too much going on here, so I couldn't do it.
I think I seen clips of that.
Oh yeah, he's the GOAT.
Yeah, I like him.
Candle slanger. Slanging them candles. But what time is it? News coming out in just a moment. So our full target has been tapped here, chat. So this was our full target, which was that wick fill and this wick fill. So we have been tapped. So that was a beautiful trade, beautiful analysis, brilliant trade idea, and way to execute. I hope everyone understood the trade. I know we went down to the 5 on this one, but it still made a lot of sense here on the 30 and the 1 hour. We just used that 5 as our entry because we may not have gotten a shot, right? We may not have gotten a shot if we waited for the 30. So there's a time and a place to do these things. You want to be extremely fluent in the markets so that way you can get the best, take advantage of the best opportunities. Yeah, if anyone needs any explanation, let me know. If not, I think we're almost ready to pack it in here today. Close up the week strong, man.
Enough strong.
This is what we needed. We needed a good week, a good performance, good result, and we got it. Sam Capital dropped some gems on CPI. That's why we're in amazing positions. What was that? Tuesday? Wednesday?
Tuesday.
It was Tuesday, right? Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. Appreciate it.
So it looks like we took sells here, right? Coming down. So we took advantage of this move here this week. Right here, we took these sells, and then we also then took these buys on the break of the highs on this celery play right here, right? And tap target. And then today we went ahead and took these sells. So yeah, great job. All 3 really good trades. Bringing the band. Yeah, the music's coming. Yeah, by the way, gang, we have the boot camp. So the boot camp is on the it's coming up. Friday next week we won't be streaming because we will begin the boot camp. So for those of you guys that are looking to register, you gotta wait like another couple hours because we're still doing some maintenance on the website, and once that's finished up, you will be good to go. Yeah, I look forward to seeing everyone there.
with the news.
No change.
Yes, that's why this thing's doing nothing.
Yeah, you might just probably move down here and mess around in this area. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows?
Yeah.
I think that'll do
Alright.
it.
Yep. I'm wrapping it up.
Yeah.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, thanks for coming
Chat,
by,
what
Sam.
a week. What a
You're the
week,
man.
chat. Yeah. Thanks for having me. Of course, yeah.
Either have a great weekend.
Yeah, have a good weekend.
Enjoy it.
Everyone in the chat, everyone in the Zoom, take it
We'll
easy.
see you on
Yeah,
Monday.
Nick, take it easy. I'll see you on Monday.
All right, brother. Oh, he's gone. He's gone. All right, chat. That's going to do it for me. We're going to move into the weekend. I hope you guys have a blessed weekend. If you can give, find somewhere you can give. We talked about the verse of the day. Test a minute. Test him. Test a minute so he can give you a testimony for it, just like I gave you today. So love you guys. Hope you guys have a great one. Be blessed this weekend. Be a blessing this weekend where you can. And we'll see you on Monday. All right. Love y'all.